Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. My name is Martyn Lucas. As you can see, it's Virgin Galactic Flight Day. We're very, very excited. Flight number 3. Okay, what we're going to see today on the market, what we're going to see with the flight in the news. We do expect, disappointingly, however, the viewers to go down overall, not just for our channel, but the global audience. The very first flight, we had 23,000. We had more people watch us live here than any other channel live online, not TV channels, but actual online YouTube channels. So Sky News, BBC, Fox, CNN, CNBC, Virgin Galactic themselves. More people watched it live on this channel than any other TV outlet YouTube channel. So we're very proud of that. And then after that, the flights came down. We had about 8,000 the next time, and everybody else lost about the same. And today we're expecting again, but because other outlets aren't covering it as much, you never know. We might get more people join us here for it. And at the moment, there is no televised broadcast scheduled, but we are all looking. My researchers, all of you are sharing links with me. If anyone finds it that I don't see it, you'll send it in to me. But we do have the flight radar. I will share with you on the screen. We have the flight radar. We have Virgin Galactic website. We have the Virgin Galactic, of course, Twitter account. We're following all my contacts as well on the ground. We've got the flight radar. As soon as we see it, in fact, I'm just seeing something now approach. What is that? There's something approaching the airport, which is the spaceport. We'll keep our eye on it right now. This is our view here from this particular app. We've got several. This is one that we're keeping an eye on. So we'll keep an eye on it all morning. If we get any information, we will bring it to you. The moment anyone broadcasts any information from anywhere, this is the best place to see it. However, just so if you're new to the channel, this isn't just about the flights and so on. We are investors. We are looking at the point of view of investing in the company. I will tell you, I have just bought some more shares. I bought them at 2.30. And as you can see, I'm up from that position. So I've just bought more in my Roth IRA and I bought more in my main account. Now, for those of you who want to know before I'm buying, what I'm buying, before I'm selling, what I'm selling, I post it on my X account as I did this morning. So if you want to have a quick look here, I will share with you. This is my X account. You can see 30 minutes ago, I posted it. So let me know, was it a good idea? Let's have a look. Let's copy this link here. Do you think it was a good investment? I just bought some at some more shares at 2.30. There is the link. Let me hop over to Rumble where my audience are watching me, and I'll give them the link to it as well. Okay, guys, here is my link to my X account. Do you think it was a good buy? And let me know your thoughts. All right. Okay, back to the main audience here. Let's see all the comments. Good morning, said Strone Corbett. Good morning to you, Strone. I asked my wife for a day off today and she agreed. How wonderful. How wonderful. Do you know what? I'm going to open up the broadcast lounge. So for any member during the flight, during the day, it's a Virgin Galactic special, of course, today. You can call in. If you just want to say hello, the broadcast lounge is now open. Broadcast lounge is now open for anyone. Let me just check it's muted. It is. So if you want to call in, this is where you'll call in. It's members only. If you are watching and thinking, I would love to be in that screen, I would love to call in, you can be on camera or not. We do prefer to be on camera because we like the honesty and openness of it all. Here is the link to become a member. You may need a browser to do so, but we only allow members. It's so we can verify you, but then you get rewarded with many, many perks as a member. That's why 95% of my live viewers are members. There's a link to become a member. And then how you call in is through Discord. Here is Discord. I'll give you the link. So if you want to be live on the show, have your say, call in, share information on the ground, whatever it is, you are welcome to do so. All right. Okay. We are looking at, there is no flights off the ground yet. We're keeping an eye on the ground. There's nothing yet coming from Spaceport America. We've got our eye very, very closely to it. So we shall see soon enough. Oh, hang on, a little helicopter here. A little bit of interest, something flying in nearby. We'll keep our eye on that. The helicopter coming into view at the moment, but we've got an eye on it. We've got an eye on. You'll see when all the area gets sealed off, where there's no fly zone all around the area. But if we get any information from anywhere that's broadcasting anything, we will bring it to you. Unfortunately, Virgin Galactic is not broadcasting the flight this time. They're not covering it. They're also not covering it on their website. They only did the first one. I don't know why. To be quite honest, I think they would cover everyone. It's what they do. I mean, I'm covering everyone, and it's kind of what I do. So you'd think they would, but they don't. And we've often criticized Virgin Galactic for doing that. But, you know, there it is. Now, tonight, after the event, we do have a Rocket Man concert. If you want to join me for the Rocket Man concert, for those of you who don't know, I was voted as the World Piano Man. And I've got the Virgin Galactic song, and on every Friday is music night. So tonight we're having a Rocket Man concert. There's the link in the chat. It's pinned to the top. If you want to make a request, live phone in. I was talking to one of the families this morning for one of the astronauts. Very exciting. And I've invited them to call in and have a bit of a party. Wouldn't that be good? Brickmark, good morning, Brickmark. Welcome. What was the fundamental change today that made you want to buy more in space? There wasn't a fundamental change today, actually. The reason why I bought in today, because I've been following the price action, the volume over the last week or so, and it keeps bouncing off this 230. And it doesn't want to seem to go lower. Plus, I've got some belief, it's more of rumors at the moment, that institutions are looking at today's flight and start buying in. So it might be to do with that. That's not really, I can't say that or confirm that, but it does look like there's a potential for institutions to start picking it up if today's flight is successful, which we expect, of course, it to be. So I bought it at 230. It's going up since then, so I'm happy. That's really all I have. It's not FOMO. It's not a lot of shares. I've already got a decent amount. It's just a little bit. I got some dividend payouts today, some free money, if you like, so I used it. So it's a tax-free benefit, really. Okay, we're also looking at Virgin Galactic's Twitter account. They're not actually posting anything at the moment. An hour ago, they were in the hangar. This is the team here. This is very nice. Business as usual. That's what we like. We don't want any drama. We don't want any anything exciting, really. We're investors after all. There you go. And, of course, I commented. Of course, I'm going to comment with the Virgin Galactic song. People are already sharing it. So what I'd like you to do, team, if we really want to get the excitement today, this is the Virgin Galactic's post. I'm going to give you the link right now. And we're also giving away, of course, our biggest ever cash prize tonight, $204 in cash. Everybody go and retweet this, the Virgin Galactic song. There it is. I've just posted it to the team. There's the link. Everybody here, let me give it to everybody on X as well. Sorry, Rumble, I mean. There you go. I've just posted to Virgin Galactic, the Virgin Galactic song, good luck, fly safe to everybody. Let's see if we can see those reposts go up. See that there, look? Let's see it. Let's see if we can get a bunch of you repost that and spread the news for Virgin Galactic as the #1 channel for Virgin Galactic. We absolutely want to be covering everything for everything. Basically, we want to make sure everybody knows what's going on. All right. Okay. Now, if anyone gets any information, you see anything that I don't see, let me know and I'll bring it to you. Don't see any flights just yet. Nothing happening just yet. No retweets just yet. Come on, guys, what's going on? The flight is in an hour and a quarter. We'll cover it. But everything's going to be live here. We've just given you the Twitter post. There we go. Someone has retweeted. There we go. Now it's moving. Fantastic. We're getting the news out about Virgin Galactic. Great. Hey, says Mike. Good afternoon, everyone. Zach, now don't forget, it's our big giveaway today. Now, Zach, we have done something for you today. I don't know if you've seen it. Well, I know you have because I saw your comment this morning, which was really great. It's our biggest ever cash giveaway to celebrate tonight. 10,000 subscribers, Virgin Galactic flight and the Rocket Man concert all in one day. There is the giveaway. Now, we've just added a couple more things. We've added the information there from the newsletter. So open your newsletter, everybody. Go and open your newsletter right now and enter the magic number in there. We've also got, if you scroll down here, visit Development Alerts website. Zach, we've got your website here. Visit your website, check it out. There is the website. If you go and click that, you can get some free tickets. And also leave a comment on the video, which was Zach's video as well. We're trying to help our charities and our fundraiser events at the same time as you winning $204. We can help our charities and our friends and the family members as well. So it's really, really great, isn't it? There you go. Right, let's go back to Virgin Galactic. We've not got any flight data yet. We won't yet. There's nothing yet. We are keeping our eye. There's a few helicopters buzzing around, passing by, but nothing yet to report. I will bring it to you as soon as we get it. Nothing on the news, nothing on Virgin Galactic's website or their X account. We are watching it closely. This is brilliant. We're getting people now share the song. Look at this. Go and tell the team Martyn Lucas should be the marketing manager for Virgin Galactic. There you go. Look at that. 331 views on it now, 8 likes, people retweeting it, commenting. Let me see what comments that you've dropped in. Let me see who's done it. Mike, good luck. Thank you. Fly safe. There we go. Let me reply to all of you. Thank you, guys. Thanks all. Thank you, Mike, for that. And we've got Zach as well. Absolutely awesome. Thank you. Thanks, Zach. There you go. We want to get in touch with Virgin Galactic today, and we want to do good. We want to do good. All right. Okay. So keep your eye on that, and we'll see how that moves around. Keep that going. All right, Virgin Galactic. Now, if we get any more information from Virgin Galactic, I will bring it to you the moment we do, but there's nothing new at the moment. We're watching it very closely. All right, good afternoon, says Zach. Thank you, Zach. My friend Trevor is on the flight after this one. Fantastic. Well, Keaton S., if he wants to call in, be live on the show. We want to talk to people about their experience, share it with the world. So we'd love to do that if you would like to get him involved. We'd absolutely love it. We'd love it. Okay. Let me have a little look what we've got going on around the flight, the airport at the moment. We're just keeping our eye on. It looks like the area is now sealed off. No flight other than this one helicopter are in the area. We're looking at it as soon as we get information. If we do get anyone, any of my members, researchers, you find it on any media outlet, let me know. Virgin Galactic isn't broadcasting it, and we don't have any on their website. And no news coverage is covering it yet. I don't think many people will today. It's going to become routine soon, and it won't get as much. It won't get as much information, but it will always get it here, of course. Always here. What time is the flight? In about an hour and a quarter. Hamster, our guest from Russia. Let me translate your comment there for a moment. Let's have a look. Good morning, everyone, friends. I wish you good luck, Martyn. Martyn, I hope everything goes well today and we have lots of fun at your concert today. Yes, this is in Russian. Let's hear it in Russian.
Всем доброе утро, друзья. Желаю вам удачи. Мартин, надеюсь, сегодня все будет хорошо. И мы сегодня хорошо повеселимся на твоем концерте.
And this is what it was translated in English. I've already read it, but we want to do it.
Good morning, everyone, friends. I wish you good luck. Martyn, the first, hope everything goes well today and we have a lot of fun at your concert today.
Fantastic. Bill says, if I win, I'm giving it to Zach. Wonderful. Do we know who's on this flight? I can bring that to you in a moment. Let me have a quick look. Yes, just bear with me. I have read it out a few times, but I've recently forgotten. Let me have a look. Okay. This is Virgin Galactic 03. Here we go. There's the information for you. You were asking Virgin Galactic 03 to fly 3 Virgin Galactic founder customers. These were the first customers that bought tickets. And let me see if it names them in this report here. I have seen it, but it might not be in this report. Virgin Galactic 3. The pilots are there. The pilots... for Virgin Galactic 3 are VSS Unity Commander Nicola Pisail and pilot Michael Masuki. The astronaut instructor is Colin Bennett. The VMS Eve Commander is Jamal as well, and accompanied by pilot Kelly Latimer. Okay. That's what I have there. All right. As we get information from the astronauts, as we get information, I'll bring it all to you live. There's nothing yet to report new from Virgin Galactic at all, so we're going to keep our eye on it. As soon as there is, I will bring it to you. Okay. There's no celebrities flying there today. If you're looking for celebrities, then I'm sorry, you're going to be a bit out of luck today, I'm afraid. That won't come until the end of the year, and there are a few rumours of a few that might. Anyway, Elasio, hi Martyn, how are you? Can you see Far-Fetched, please? Far-Fetched, please. How's it going? We got to really concentrate on Virgin Galactic today, but Elasio, you are one of my members. So I will do my best to have a quick look for you. Let me just bring it up. You asked about it. We will try and cover other things, but we have to focus on that. It's up today, 0.37. So you were looking at buying it yesterday. It's been going flat for a while, but we're now looking at 271. 271. I'll leave it then. If you need to know anything else, let me know, and I will try and cover it for you. Okay. Now, if anyone gets any information at all from Virgin Galactic, you see flights that I'm not seeing, let me know. I can tell you now there's nothing from Spaceport America. There's nothing on Virgin Galactic website. There's nothing on their Virgin Galactic YouTube channel, or no media coverage at the moment. But we are watching and we are keeping our eye on everything. I think we have another comment from our guest in Russia. Let me just translate it. Just bear with me. This time he says, one more question, Martyn. Will the flight be broadcast today? Well, I don't think so. It might be picked up on the ground from a news source, but we don't have any pre-information on that. I am searching everything as it comes in. My researchers, all of you, are looking at that. So.
And one more question, Martyn. Will the flight be broadcast today?
И еще один вопрос, Мартин, сегодня будет трансляция полета?
So if we get it, we'll bring it to you, all right? Rafael from Portugal is back. How are you, Rafael? Lovely to have you here. How's it, everyone? I've been away with a load of work. Let's go, guys. Smash the like button. Roy D, good morning. Virgin VGX05. No, it should be 03, not 05. But of course, any information I will put in. I will try everything. VGX05, I'll always have a look. But no, there's no results for that at all. I didn't think there would be. But we'll see it. We're scanning the area. But thank you very much, Roy. I know Kelly. Keaton S. Knows Kelly. Cool. Very nice indeed. Get them on the show then, please. Get them to call in. Keaton S. Get them to call in. Be part of the show. Absolutely right. Jacob, what celebrities do you think could fly at the end of the year? Only rumors, and I don't like to spread rumors unless there's any kind of evidence to it at all, so I'm not going to. But do you think that such event would actually move the stock? No, I don't, to be honest. If Virgin Galactic thought that, they would have put somebody in at the beginning, and they haven't. I don't think it will at this point. We've got over the first breaking news of Virgin Galactic flying. The news is the media isn't reporting it like it did. On the very first flight, we had 23,000 people watch me here, more than any other YouTube channel in the world live at the time. Okay, so just what I mean by that, just so everyone's fully clear, when it flew, right, 23,000 people joined me live here, which is more than any other channel in the world during the flight. And what I mean by that is CNBC, Yahoo, BBC, Sky, they all have YouTube channels. And more people were watching it on our YouTube channel than any other YouTube channel in the world, right? And then later on, obviously it was on the TV, more viewers on the TV and so on. But on an online YouTube channel, we had more here than any other channel in the world. Later in the day, because they're much, much bigger channels than we are, they got more viewers throughout the day and so on and so forth. But during the flight, more people watched it here because we trend as number one on Google and YouTube for Virgin Galactic. I've got the Virgin Galactic song. It's going up. Look, I bought it today at 2:30. So I'm very, very pleased with that. It's gone back down again. There you go. It will do. It's going to be very volatile. It'll probably go down after the flight, if I'm quite honest. Anyway, but the reason for telling you that is because that we are getting less interest in the flights now. Unfortunately, we're getting less interest in the flights. Sadly, it's a shame, but it's just the way it is. The media aren't covering it as much, but there you go. It's VGX4. One of my researchers sending it in. I don't think it is, but I will always look at everyone's information. There's no results for VGX4. No, there isn't. It's flight 3. So I'll always look because as long as I don't have it, VGX4 expected to depart in an hour and 46. Roy, I don't know why you'd say it's X4. It should be X3. But anyway, if it is X4, it could well be. I don't know. I'm getting the information as fast as you. There is no information for that yet, but I will keep looking. The point is, I'm looking at the area. So the moment I see anything take off, I will have it. So don't worry about that. Keep sending the information in. That's our friend Bill, always supporting our cause. Are you expecting to drop like it always does when they fly below 2? Yes, I am. It could. That's why I haven't gone massively in. I've got 1,195 shares with a target of 4,000. They posted something on Twitter an hour ago. Yes, I covered that on Twitter. This is our Twitter account. I've got everything there. Yeah, we've got all the news as well. Martyn, I got a job opportunity to Ireland, waiting for the decision. I hope you do well. 03 was on 10th of August. I know, Roy, we covered it live here, but keep sending in the information. If you could become a verified member, we can verify you, and we can then give you access to sharing the links via Discord. The reason why we ask that is because we get a lot of scammers, a lot of people try to promote the stock, pump the stock, dump the stock. Please become a member. It's only a couple of bucks. It's not to make me rich. It's to verify, and then we give you 20 times back. If you notice, 95% of all the live viewers actually have a badge. We have the highest engagement rate of any channel on YouTube. 95% of our live viewers watch 4 hours a day, because I'm live up to 10, and 95% of them are members. So there's many perks and benefits for you if you want to do that and be part of our team, researchers and so on. Good morning from the US. Bought some more space and I'm waiting for the flight. Ion S. Congratulations to you. I've just bought some more as well. Okay. Good morning all. Let's go. Steve Cash. Jacob. So do you think it's safe that interest is dying down? What would it take to move the stock? Quite simple. Quite simple. Institutions don't care about what Richard Branson is doing or what he's going to do or anything else. I am seeing flights leave the area. Flights are leaving the area now, as you can see. More and more around the area of the airport is being left alone now, which is imminent that the flight, the craft will come out of the hangar, and then the transponder will get turned on. What will drive the stock up now, to be perfectly honest, is when we get near the Delta fleet, when we start seeing institutions buying it because they're more profitable and they've lowered their cost basis and they can fly more often. We've got institutions ready to buy in. We just need to see the Delta fleet come online or get closer to it or look like they're about to come online and start saving money, and that's when we'll see things improve. But we're not there yet. We're not there yet. Hi Raphael, does Ireland will be better than Portugal? Says Zax8. Our friends having a conversation here. I love this. Mark Drummond, thank you very much indeed for subscribing. See Flight Aware. I'm looking at all those flights apps, looking at all of them. Thank you very much. That's Roy D sending some information in for me. Appreciate Roy D very much indeed. Please become verified if you can. Flight Aware. Let me go and have a look. I'll try a different app. I've got all the different apps running. Trust me, I've got everything running that is humanly available. But I will also look for that as well. Let's have a look. VGX04. VGX04. Okay, here we go. VGX04. Scheduled. Here we go. September 8th. Okay, thank you very much indeed. Okay, that is great. I have that. Spaceport America, New Mexico. We've got that. I'm looking at it now. Thank you very, very much indeed. Zoom on in, zoom on in. There it is. There it is. We have it now on the hangar. I want to thank our researchers. So what we've got, the transponder isn't turned on yet. Let me share with you the flight number is 9NM9. Can you see that on the just there? Look, what that means is it's arrived. Of course, we know about that, but it hasn't had its transponder turned on. That means it's currently turned off, sitting there. You can see that right there, look. Okay, we're just zooming in. And thank you to my team for sending that in. That's very much appreciated. 9NM9. 9MN9. If anybody else wants to look for that, you can. All right. Very, very nice indeed. We're looking at the ground again. Thank you very much for sending that in. Transponder isn't turned on yet. That's why there's nothing. That's why Flight Radar isn't doing it, but Flight Aware is, because it's not had its transponder turned on. It's arrived and then gone offline. That's exactly how it's supposed to work. So we're watching the area. It's completely clear. Jose, good morning, everyone. Martin, good morning to you. I'm buying today my last 200 shares. Very nice indeed. I've bought in at 230. Hi, Zach. The average salary in Portugal is €1,000. Development, good morning, bro. Flight Aware, we've got that. We're covering it. Aldrin, good morning to you. We are covering all the different media locations. Nothing yet from Virgin Galactic officially from them at all. I think space needs celebrities on flights. They do, but I don't think it'll make a difference to institutions right now, to be perfectly honest with you. I don't think they really care. Users on Reddit have verified who the passengers are on this flight based on arm patches they are wearing in the short clip Virgin Galactic post on Twitter. They are just the first three. Yes, they are the first three founders. I will tell you, Jacob, there's a very good reason why we never use Reddit. I will never use Reddit. If anyone sends me a Reddit link, I will never use it, because Reddit is the home of the scammers, the bots, the people that pump and dump stock, people that get together to inflate the stock like a band of thieves, getting everyone to buy it just to dump it. We aim to be the most honest, real channel on YouTube TV. We provide quality information, the real information. We're not interested in chit-chat, rumors, gossip, promoting stories. It's not what we do here. We're investors. I'm also going to buy a ticket myself. I want to fly with Virgin Galactic. I've got the Virgin Galactic song. So, you know, we have a certain standard here. So I will never use Reddit. Thank you for letting me know. But I will look. I'm aware of it, but I will never share it on the screen. It's not reliable and trusted information. All right. I will just look at it myself. Looks like the same as every previous flight. Yep. No live stream, correct. Any information, I will get it though. So stick with me. I will need to sell shares to buy. There we go. Raphael, thank you very much for sharing all that. Right. 2:37. We are going up. Right, it's 8 o'clock in the morning. We are green in the studio. This is my portfolio. I'm in green, and the blue line is Warren Buffett, which is essentially the S&P 500. I am beating the market, and that's Virgin Galactic. My other investments are Peloton, Gold, S&P, Amazon is down today, Apple. These are all my positions. Mullen is moved up today. It's a junk stock. It's going bankrupt. Next Era Energy is up. Enphase is up. Coca-Cola, I bought more Coca-Cola as well yesterday. J&J is down slightly. Kenvue. I've just got all my dividends for Kenvue and J&J and used it to buy Virgin Galactic. That's where the money came from. Tesla is going up. Very nice indeed. By the way, has everyone seen the Tesla information this morning about Elon Musk? It's, again, false information that people love to report. Elon Musk prevented Ukraine from attacking Russia by turning off Starlink. The actual truth of it was he didn't turn it on. That's a very, very different story. Starlink was not turned on in this location, and they asked him to turn it on, and he didn't turn it on, because if he turned it on, he would be involved in the war. Okay, he'd be providing some support to the war. If it had already been on, like a global internet, it was everywhere and everyone was using it, that's fine. But it wasn't on. So to turn it on at the request of one side in the war would be getting involved in the war. So I actually think that Elon Musk did the right thing there. It wasn't as reported. A lot of false news that love to sell YouTube videos. It wasn't he turned it off to stop it. He didn't turn it on in the first place and refused to turn it on. Anyway, there you go. So we're not that long to go now. It's 8 o'clock in the morning. The stock is going up. We are keeping our eye on the ground. And we've got the transponder isn't turned on just yet. We are keeping our eye on Spaceport America. And it's all looking good, but nothing just yet. We're going to keep our eye on it. So we're not going anywhere. The moment we get some flight data, we'll bring it to you. Okay. It's a very exciting day, as we all know. Just making sure we've got everything refreshing all the time, everything looking good. Yeah, there's nothing in the area just yet. This is what we're looking at. And we're also keeping an eye on all the feeds. Now then, we've got an event, first of all, to mention to everybody. So first of all, if we could have a bit of excitement right now. Let's get the music going. There we go. For those of you who don't know, YouTube now are all about engagement. And we're trying to grow the most honest, real, live, engaged channel on YouTube TV. If you like my content, there's 89 of you watching right now. Please tap the like button over here. Now, the average is 50%. Not 50% hit the like button. 99.5 tend to up like my videos, 0.5 down like. But I don't mind if you like or down like. Honestly, what I want is the most engaged channel on YouTube. So what we normally get is 50% of people actually do something. Most people, sadly, are lazy. They don't bother. But if you tap the like button, you'll be shown more of my content, so you won't miss the breaking news. If you don't like my content, that's absolutely fine. Tap the down like button, and if you do that, then you won't be shown my content anymore, and you'll find the things that you do want to see. So please tap the like button if you want to see my content. Tap the down like button if you don't. Let's see if we can get, we've got 91, so 50% of that is about 46. Let's see if we can get 46 people vote. Very often, it's only half the people vote. 29 watching right now. And I will tell you, while you're doing that, look at this. We are giving away tonight, live on the show, after this broadcast, this afternoon, we're giving away $204 in cash, free. It's free to enter. It's free for all. You do not have to be a member of my channel. I will never contact you, never sell you anything. There's the link. It's martynlucas.com/giveaway. It happens in 6 hours, live on the show. We're giving away $204 in cash. Live on the show. It's free to enter, free for all. All you've got to do is scroll below. You can take one lottery ticket or hundreds. It's up to you. You earn tickets by liking a post, liking today's video, leaving a comment, whatever you like. The more you do, the more tickets you get. It's free to enter, free for all. You can win with just doing one thing, or you can do all of them. I will tell you, only 4 people have done all of the things. So you've got a good chance if you really, really want to win. Okay, so there you go. Let me go back to the channel. See if we got 39 coming up to. We're coming up now to the 50%. It tends to be 50% like the video, actually vote. 99.5 actually click the up like, and I've proved that on many videos, so you know it's true. But I just want you to get involved and engaged. If you don't like my content, please tap the down like. You won't be shown it anymore. Please tap the up like if you do want to be shown the content. So it's up to you. I don't mind what you do. There you go. There's our 50%. That's what we normally get that actually get involved. We're trying to push that up. So thank you ever so much, everybody that took part in that. I really do appreciate it. Okay. Excellent. So once again, if you want to join us for our free cash giveaway, now we do have one final newsletter going out for those that didn't open it yesterday and those that subscribed today. And it includes 100 free tickets for our giveaway this afternoon. Right? So if you want to claim those free tickets, this is how you get the newsletter. It will go out after this broadcast this morning, just before the giveaway starts. So you'll have the chance to do it. It's martynlucas.com. Same again, /links. You can find it up there. And all you got to do, it's a free, secure website, HTTPS. You can subscribe to my newsletter with just your email. If you want to personalize it, you can. If you want a birthday treat on your birthday, I like to send out treats on people's birthdays. You don't put the year, just the month of the date, but you don't have to do that if you don't want to. It's your choice. But it will go out this afternoon for your last chance to get 100 free tickets into our giveaway. It's a $204 cash prize, completely free. Now, if you subscribe to the newsletter, within a few minutes, you will get an auto response. It's not the newsletter. The newsletter will go out later. You'll get an auto response, and then after the show today, I will send out the newsletter for you, and you'll have the extra tickets. All right? Okay. So if you want to do that, just make sure that you've checked the email that comes through to you, because it will very often go in your junk folder because it is a newsletter. All right. Now, if you are really excited about Virgin Galactic, and not only are you excited about the flights and everything else, tonight after the show, we are doing, after the giveaway, we're having our Rocket Man concert. Every Friday, we do a Rocket Man concert, and we do a Friday night music night. Tonight is Rocket Man concert. If you want to join me, you can phone in. You can have a live request. You can ask me to do a dedication. Maybe you want Rocket Man, or you want something, I don't know, you want Starman by David Bowie. I'll play it for you live. I was voted by Elton John as the world piano man. There is the live concert, the Rocket Man concert. That is tonight. If you want to be part of it and share it, click the share button and you can be part of that live event tonight. All right? And hopefully we'll get some Virgin Galactic staff call in and make some requests. Should be a fun night tonight. It's just coincided with my Friday night music night, so it's worked out pretty well. Very, very exciting. Zed Hinks said, I know it's Virgin Galactic Day today, but can you take a look at NEE and see what's pushing the downward motion? Of course I will. Any of my members I can request. I can do that. We've got 15 minutes before the bell goes. Please, Zed Hink. Yeah, no problem. You're one of my members, of course. If you want to become a member of the channel and get many, many perks, 95% of our live viewers are members. You don't need to be a member to be in our free giveaways. It's just there are other perks that you get as members. There are a whole list of things, and it's why 95% of our live viewers are members. All right, morning everyone. Fourth flight in as many months, and we are up as an incredible 2 cents. Honestly, I'm not worried as long as long-term investor here. Go Virgin Galactic. Max Saxby, I've just bought some more shares in Virgin Galactic this morning, and I bought it at 2.30. All right, let's keep an eye. Now then, let me go back to all of you. Let me just check from the back of the Virgin Galactic studio a couple of things. Just got to make a couple of adjustments here. There we go. Okay. Yes, I just bought some more and I posted it before I did it on my X account so everyone could see what I was buying, when I was buying, just so everybody knows. I always do. My aim is to be the most honest person on YouTube TV. Now then, just while we're waiting for the markets to open and everything to kick off, got something to share with my members that you might find interesting. As you know, I was voted as the world piano man. This is my music channel, and I've got a couple of bits of information to share with you that you might find interesting. These are my 2 videos I've just put out. For those of you who don't know, when Wings comes to the United States, I am slated to be doing the part of Paul McCartney, as Paul McCartney doesn't tour with Wings in the US anymore. I was asked by Howie Casey, who's the saxophonist of of wings. So I put this video out. We're looking for Sir Paul McCartney's guitar. If you want to vote on it and get involved, we're sharing pictures and we're trying to find it. And I'm also, because he's lost it, by the way, it's Hofner guitar. And I also did this version here of Get Back, because it's part of the Australian tour that's coming to Australia soon. And have a quick listen, 10 seconds. I'll let you listen. Links below, look in the description. We're going to help him find it. Here is Got Back. Let's do it. Just a little clip if you want to go and check this out. I can't play all of it for copyright reasons. Georgia was a man who thought he was a... There you go, and you might be, if you are a Paul McCartney Wings fan, you might find that interesting. Also, what's happened the last couple of days, I've been contacted to do some tribute music for Jimmy Buffett, and some of the family, I believe, are playing this. I did Time to Say Goodbye for Jimmy Buffett here, but what's really quite interesting is this one here. Yesterday, I recorded yesterday with an overlay of Sir Paul McCartney, and the family of Jimmy Buffett and friends of Jimmy Buffett and the Parrot Heads have actually started to put this on their Jimmy Buffett playlist. If you go and check it out, you'll see that's why it's had 1,000 views already, which for my channel is a lot. So have a little listen. I believe in yesterday. So it's made some of the Jimmy Buffett's playlists on YouTube. So this is my tribute to the late and great Jimmy Buffett. If you want to check that out, I'll give you the link to that if you want to have a listen and share it around. I was quite honoured when I heard back that friends and family and fans, the Parrot Heads, were actually putting my song on the Jimmy Buffett's playlist. That's why it's taken off. My videos don't normally do that many views, so I was like, flipping heck, straight out the gate. Anyway, let's come back to Virgin Galactic. So you've got all that information if you want any of that. Thank you for allowing me to share that with you all. All right, Mark Saxby, nice. He was referring to when I said I bought the ticket, when I bought more Virgin Galactic shares. Martyn Lucas, and you bought your ticket to travel to space. No, I haven't bought my ticket to travel to space, but I will be. I will be flying with Virgin Galactic. Just can't afford it right now, but it's on my bucket list. Yes, absolutely, but just not yet. Anyway, we're keeping our eye on the ground. Let's have a look back again. Here we go. We're keeping our eye on the ground. 9NM9. There we go. We're keeping an eye on that. We're keeping an eye on Virgin Galactic's website, any media outlets. Now, if you want to access Discord, you can, and send in. If you see any information that I've not covered or something I should know, it is verified users only, because we get lots of people from Reddit try to talk a lot of nonsense, and we won't have it here on this channel. We're not trying to sell videos. We're not trying to get the biggest channel. We want the most honest, the most real, and the best quality. And that's why I go to great lengths to bring a studio like this to bring you the information. And I'm always live up to 10 hours a day. If I wanted to make money, I would just make videos. I do make videos, but I go live a lot more than I make videos. So become a verified user, and then you can access Discord and you can send in information. All right, a very, very quick look at the markets. We're seeing Palantir down, but coming back up again. This S&P is flat. Amazon is down. Apple is up slightly. Mullen is up. It's a scam stock, though. We've reported on Dave Mitchery. We know where it's going. Next Era Energy, Enphase, Solar doing well today. Coca-Cola, I bought it yesterday. I bought some more, rather. Kenvue, J&J, I got my dividends to buy Virgin Galactic today. Tesla is going up. Rivian is going up. Surprised nobody commented about my Tesla comment. Google, Microsoft is flat. Walmart is going up. Tesco in the UK is down. Tilray Brands, it's going back down again. I told everybody it would, and it has. IonQ up 0.74. Rocket Labs today. Rocket Labs tends to trend with Virgin Galactic and vice versa. If one has a good day, the other one seems to pick a little bit of extra views from it. It does tend to happen. I will show you that the area is now pretty much shut off around the spaceport. You can see planes leaving the area, or sort of it's like a circle that tends to happen when we get these flights, as expected, really. Same thing would happen with SpaceX and so on and so forth. These are all our stocks that we're in. Some are up, some are down. You can see where we are. BTC is down today. We say it's going down to 15,000. We've got no doubt about that. We feel very, very confident in that information. We've studied it a lot. Again, Bitcoin trades on news and people trying to promote it and pump it to sell videos. I don't care about selling videos. I care about providing the best quality. So at the end of the day, people go and say, Martyn Lucas is a decent bloke. And more important than any of that, my wife says to me at the end of the day, I'm a decent person and I did a good job. And that's my aim every day. What time do you expect the sell-off to happen today? Do you know what, Walid? I don't know if we are going to get much of a sell-off. We normally do, and that's probably why you're asking. I don't think we're going to, unless, and it won't really be a sell-off, it'll just be a reaction, which is a sell-off, I get it. But if we get dilution, but there's no reason why we'll get dilution today. We shouldn't get, we're going to get it. We're going to get it, and at this point, it could drive the stock to 150. And a lot of people know that. A lot of people are waiting for that. I'm waiting for that. I've got a big position, and I'm down 33%. I just bought a few more today to lower my average. But as long as we can keep going and the flights keep happening on time, in fact, this one was slightly up. It was less than a month, right? If we can continue doing this, there's no reason, and the flights keep selling and the flights keep doing well, and we move towards the Delta fleet on time, there is no reason why we can't get the price to stabilize around the sort of the 230, where it's been bouncing from. This is what happened at every flight. Yeah, but that's what happened before doesn't mean it's going to happen again, though, right? That is not a given. That is not a given. And we don't use backward information to project and invest for the future. I think that's a bad idea. This is my portfolio. I'm beating Warren Buffett. I'm in the green. Warren Buffett, the S&P 500, of course, is in blue. So I'm beating it. I very often beat the market, and I am beating it. This is my real money, my real shares, all of my money. I use Robinhood as a bank. So I don't have any money apart from about $10 in the bank. I don't see any point in doing so. Now, the other day I put a video out, and I'm amazed many of you didn't comment on it, how you, like me, can get $150 in cash, not free shares, in cash from Robinhood. I have, everyone can get it. So I'm going to tell you about it. We've got a bit of time before the markets open. First of all, let me give you this. If you're not on Robinhood yet, I'm not employed by Robinhood. I'm not sponsored by Robinhood. Couldn't care less. I am an investor and I use it. Fair enough. But if you use my referral, you can get between $5 and $200 of shares. This isn't the 150 cash though, right? I will tell you about that in a second. So I'm going to share my link. If you use my link, look, there you go. You will get live on the show up to $200 worth of shares. We had somebody win an Apple share once. It was really exciting. Let me give it to you in the chat. Now, if you go and set up Robinhood, I will talk you through it, support you. I will also share with you what I get as well, because I will get some shares as well as you if you use my referral. All right. Okay, there it is. Now then, how can you get $150 as we're waiting? I'm amazed that not more people actually commented to my video. I put a video out the other day how you can get $150 in cash from Robinhood. Let me just scroll it scroll it. Here it is. This is the video here. Very few people watched it. 218 people watched it, and I've had a few thank yous from people. But I'll give you the link to it. I'll give you the link to this. So I'll tell you how I did it. It's free cash. No catch. Absolutely. Just free money. Here it is. Free 150 bucks. And I'll tell you how I got it. 150 bucks cash. From and when I say cash, they put it in your account, right? They don't send you some money round the post, stick it in your mailbox. Come round like the milkman. So anyway, free cash from Robinhood. There you go. I put it in the chat. Okay, can you see it? Okay. Basically, what it is this: Robinhood have a Roth IRA, and I maxed it out year one, which was November of 21. It was just finishing the year, right? 22. And this year started and I maxed it out again. So I put $7,000 in the first year, which is what the maximum was. And then 7.5 the next year. And full disclosure, look, I'll share with you. There it is. Look, my maxed out contributions, right? There you go. Maxed out. There's my money, right? And I got $70 the first year. And I got $75 this year. Okay, it was a 1% match. They're now doing a 3% match. Right now, any Roth IRA that increases its amount, it doesn't get backdated. You can't call them up and say, "Hey, you were paying out 1%, now you're paying out 3. Can I have 2% more from the last year and the year before?" You can't do that. However, you can. They are aware that I am promoting it on my channel. They are aware that I'm telling people. So this is what you do. You go and watch that video I just gave you. So go to the homepage of the channel. All right, go to the homepage of the channel. Click on videos. All right, scroll down and it's there. Do this now. If you don't do it, you're just throwing money away, and that's up to you. Maybe you're too rich. You don't care. All right. I've given you the link in the chat as well. Free $150, right? And what you do is you watch the video. I could tell you what you have to do, but I think, well, if you're going to get $150 for free for doing nothing, the least you could do is watch my video. If you watch my video, I earn 1 cent. Don't get any money other than 1 cent for the ads you watch, right? And some of you do ad blocking and I get nothing and you steal the video for free. But go and watch it and it tells you exactly what you need to do if you want to get $150 in cash for free. All right? So all you had to get it, all you need is the fact that you have a Roth with Robinhood, obviously, and you've put money in it and now you want to get 3% rather than 1%. And it tells you how to do it. All right? Okay, little bit of information there. Pretty good, right? So free money for all of you. And when you've done it, message me back and say, "Thanks, Martyn. I got $150 in cash, not free stocks, in cash." All right. Okay. Has the flight happened yet? No. Of course it hasn't happened yet. We're covering it live. International art projects live on the show. We are covering it live on the show. Ha ha, says Kai Shand. No, ha ha, this is not a joke. Kai Shand, this is the most honest channel on YouTube TV. This is not a joke. Don't go ha ha, it's not a joke. It's true. I have done it. I have done it myself and I'm sharing the information. Our channel lives and breathes and it's the highest engagement channel of any channel on YouTube. 95% live viewers are members. Regular viewers, not on a day like today because we've got a lot of guests, but regular shows. Average 4-hour watch time for my viewers every day. We're live 10 hours a day. Honestly, it relies on honesty and integrity. I don't make up stories to sell videos at all. This is all real, okay? 100% real. So just to be absolutely clear, it's no joke. This is real. If you go and check it out, you will find out and just do what I did. I could just tell you what I did, but I'm trying, to get you to... do you know what? Sod it. I don't care. I'm going... The bell's gone and we're going down. We're not ringing the bell. We're watching the stock with Virgin Galactic. There we go. I bought it for $2.30. Let's see what happens now. The bell is gone. We're not doing a stock race this morning. We are following Virgin Galactic. Yeah, sod it. Because some of you might doubt me, and I don't really care whether you watch the video or not and earn 1 cent. It's not really about that. I'll tell you what you do. I would like you to watch the video because I want to grow my channel and reach more people and help more people. But there you go. He's watching it now. But I'll tell you anyway. Just because I just want to. I don't want anyone to think, oh, he's just trying to get me to watch his video. This is what you do. This is what you do. You watch the video because it's like magic if you watch the video. No, seriously. What you do is this. If you've got a Roth IRA with Robinhood and you have and you've put money in there and you only got 1%, all you do is this. I have a good relationship with Robinhood. I've got no strikes, nothing like that. I contact Robinhood regularly. I'm obviously always on air promoting their products, not because they sponsor me, because I love what they do and so on. I called them up, and this is all I did. I called them up politely and respectfully, said, hey, I love Robinhood. I love what you do. And Kai said you're my favorite presenter as well. Why don't you become a member then? Why don't you become a member? And I rang him up and said, look, I love what you do, and I maxed out my Roth IRA before the moment I could, the fastest I could, to save for the future. I love your products, always complimenting, always being polite, because it's true. But I'm just saying, emphasize that. And I said, is there any way whatsoever I could get the 3% match? No, I know I'm just a guy on YouTube. I know I was the Phantom of the Opera, and I know Elton John made me the world piano man. I didn't say that. That's just me being funny, right? But it's true. I'm just having a joke. I didn't say that. But I did say, if you could help me out, I'd really appreciate it, right? I'd really appreciate it if you could help me out. And any chance you can give me 3%? And they said, well, I don't think so, because it's a tax thing and it's and so on and so forth. But we'll take a look at it, and if there's any way we can help you, we will. And I finished the conversation by just saying, I love the platform. It's changed my life. It's been absolutely fantastic. I really love it. And I don't expect you to be able to help me, but if you can, it would be very much appreciated, and I would love to share it online with my viewers, and I'll tell them all about it. And they said, okay, fair enough. So a week later, I got an email from Robinhood telling me that they've actually given me, they're going to give me the money at the time, and so on and so forth. And I was like, wow, brilliant. And I called them and told them, I said, I want to share that. And they said, that's fine. So they are more than aware. They are more than aware that I'm sharing it with everybody, and everyone's going to know about it, and all the rest of it. So yeah, I'm just bringing up the email. Here it is. I wanted to share with you on the screen. Okay. I just want to take off my account number. I don't want anyone copying my account number, obviously. There you go. Okay. So there you go. This is the email that I got from Robinhood. Good news. I'm happy to report that we'll be able to make an exception in your situation. There you go. And they are fully aware that I'm telling everybody, and so all of you. And when you do call Robinhood politely, respectfully, and you get $150, which is the maximum you're going to get, like I did. If you do, then reply to the video, share the video, tell more people, subscribe to my channel, give me a super chat. It'd be good, right? Anyway, there you go. I'm good. Wasn't laughing at the... sorry, mate. You said a funny comment. It made me laugh. That's all right. Kai, sometimes I realize that what I'm saying is not intended for you. It's for the viewers who don't understand, right? So I always pick... That's why I reply to everyone, because somebody else may not understand exactly what was being said. That's why, even though I didn't know whether you were joking or not, I wanted to reply to it that way. People that scroll through the channel, come in for a minute, watch it live later on, watch a little bit, get things out of context. I've done everything I can to provide all the information, to give everybody the accurate information. So sometimes I know someone's joking, but I still reply. It's like if someone comes in, sometimes we'll get scammers in, and people from Reddit come in and they'll say something negative. They'll say, this is all a scam. And I'll reply to it, because somebody else might read that and think, oh, what's this? Because people think everything is today a scam. And, it's my job to make sure that I reply to everyone, to make everyone feel comfortable, because I spend my life trying to build the most honest channel on TV. Anyway, Virgin Galactic's going down. The bell has gone. The market is reacting. Let's have a quick look. The overall markets are down, which means Virgin Galactic will go down. As you all know, if you follow my videos, it always amplifies the markets. So that's okay for it to go down, because the markets have gone down. If the markets had gone up today, then the share price undoubtedly would have gone up, but it didn't. Now, I bought it at 230. It's where I bought it. I'm fine with this. I'm fine. If it bounces around between 220 and 230, I'm not concerned. If it breaks $2, then we enter a different area, but that's just the way things go, right? The overall markets, Palantir has gone up, gold is up. I'm just telling you there's no flight data yet. I'm just checking it, keeping my eye on it, just so we all know what's going on and no one misses anything. Let me go back to the flight data. Nothing yet. No, nothing there yet. I'm just making sure. The flight area is still clear. There's no broadcast from anybody yet. A lot of the numbers have gone down. People, again, majority of people are not here to build a community. They're just here to make money. And because it's not as newsworthy as the first flight, the second flight went down. And I said a lot of people won't cover it on the third flight. And they didn't. They stopped doing it. However, I said I would always be here for my viewers, because I'm not here to make money other than my investments. I'm here to grow a channel and be honest, all right? Those who are not making money on high numbers don't bother doing it all of a sudden, which shows you their integrity in the first place. But that's fine. Some people live like that. I just don't, okay? So anyway, there's no data yet. There's nothing from Virgin Galactic yet. Nothing on their website yet. I'll go back to their X account. Nothing there yet either. Still in the hangar. So nothing yet to report from them. I will tell you that I replied, as always. Always do. And I replied this morning. And if you want to help me to help you, to help Virgin Galactic, here you can. This is my response this morning to Virgin Galactic. Will you have live on YouTube? Of course, I'm here live right now. I'll have everything. I replied, to celebrate Virgin Galactic flight today for all the team and guests, here is the Virgin Galactic song. And I'm trying to promote the Virgin Galactic all the time. I do it better than they do. Could you please click repost? Here is my X account. And later on today, I will actually give you money for doing that. Okay, if you post, what I mean by that, I'll explain. There is the link in the chat. I'll give it to you again. There is the link. Go and repost it. We've had 2 reposts so far. Go and repost this song. Promote what we're doing with Virgin Galactic. All right, promote it. Now, what I meant by giving you money to do it, literally this afternoon, live on my show. Literally today. Let me go to the main channel. This is today, right now. We're giving away in the closing bell straight after this show, $204. It's gone up from $200 since I made the video. We're giving away $204. Live is the upcoming live stream, the next live stream. Unlike Virgin Galactic, I schedule all my upcoming shows so you know when they're coming up. You can see when they're happening and it's easy to follow, like a TV guide. So in the closing bell this afternoon, straight after this show, I'm giving away $204 in cash live on the show. I'm glad that Virgin Galactic is holding at 230, thereabouts. Below 220, it's a concern. But anyway, so if you do want to take part in our giveaway, it's completely free. You don't have to be a member. You don't have to pay anything. You don't have to do anything, because I know you're all lazy and you don't want to do anything. Most people are, right? Here is our cash giveaway. Let me give you the link. It's martynlucas.com, as is everything. And there it is, martynlucas.com/giveaway. Okay, there it is. And all you got to do, you can either be lazy and go, I just want to be in with one ticket. You can scroll down, enter using any way you like a video. Oh, hang on, my coffee's arrived from the lovely Leah. Thank you, Leah. I've got a big audience today around the world, Virgin Galactic and all that, more than anybody else. Anyway, so that was my wife just bringing in the coffee. So yeah, you can get one ticket if you want, or as many as you like. It's up to you. You can win the lottery with one ticket, or you can increase your chances if you want more. We're giving away free money. It's sponsored by Sensei Crypto. We're also supporting one of our charities at the same time, which is really, really nice. Now, if you want extra tickets, you can subscribe to my newsletter. There it is. It comes out after this show this morning. Free, secure, HTTPS. I will never use your emails. I wouldn't even know how to be honest with you. I don't know. You wouldn't even know how to do that. You can put your email in there, and you'll get a auto response within a few moments to confirm you've got the email. Look in your junk folder. It's a newsletter. It'll probably go in there. But after today's show, I will send out one final email with the magic number, and it'll give you 100 free tickets to win in our competition this afternoon. All right, so there you go. Lots of ways for you to win money today. You can get $150 by calling Robin Hood for watching my video. I explained that. You can win $204 today. I explained that. And then tonight you can also get free stocks if anyone clicks on my link. I just gave you that. And of course tonight, if you want to celebrate with me the music of Jimmy Buffett, you can, as I showed you earlier, that Jimmy Buffett family have actually and friends have put this on their Jimmy Buffett playlist. This is me singing Yesterday. You can. Now I need a place. All right, I'll give you that video as well. It's on the homepage of my channel. You can always find it. Join the Lucas Age, Chris Hargreaves. I love it. Thank you, Chris. Absolutely brilliant. Love it. Thank you ever so much. Join the Lucas Age. I love that. I love when people say that. Okay, let's go back to Virgin Galactic. Still no flight information. It has dropped. But not much. I'm okay with what I bought this morning. I feel comfortable. Again, no information on Virgin Galactic. Now, you've got to remember now, folks, they're flying customers. The customers don't want to be YouTube stars. They don't want to be on the telly. There's nothing here. Unlike what my channel does, I put upcoming live streams. I don't know why other YouTubers don't do it. I think it's just lazy and bad practice. You can't see if they're going to schedule an event. You're just left wondering. That's what Virgin Galactic do. The marketing department on Virgin Galactic, sadly, is rubbish. I've put my name in the hat and said, let me do it, but no response yet. I wish they'd let me do it because I don't feel they do a good job, honestly. And if you reply to any of my posts on Virgin Galactic, you can tell them that. Now, I've got lots of likes, but only 2 people have reposted. So don't complain. Don't complain to me today when the world doesn't get to hear about Virgin Galactic. You had the opportunity to repost. Only 2 of you have done it. 12 likes, which I appreciate. However, we're trying to tell the world about Virgin Galactic. They're not doing it, so I'm trying to get you to do it. If you don't do it, what can I do? What can I do? I don't know what to say. Anyway, we're going back to the flight now. There is no flight data at the moment. We've got the concert tonight and everything else. Let me get through all the comments. Have you seen the video Martyn made? It's super. Development alert, Uganda, you're welcome, and we're very happy to support your charity in Africa. Don't waste your good energy on negative people, Martyn. I don't. I just always answer everybody. This could pop, and I appreciate your love, Nonny, for checking in on me, though. This could pop after hours. Weekend is coming as well. Alex, not seen it yet, Zach, mate. Where is it posted so I can view? Come on, Zach. Come on, Craig. All you got to... Where is it? Where is the video? Are you having a laugh? Are you having a laugh? Go on the channel. Look, video, support for Uganda, Africa. It's right there. Unbelievable. Crag, it's also on the competition page where it will tell you, watch this video, and you're supporting the charity and earning and getting a chance for you to win some money. Tilray and Plate running. Let's have a quick look for one of our members talking about Tilray. Still no flight data yet. It will be up in the air in about 15-20 minutes. We are keeping an eye on it, or at least it will come out of the hangar. Tilray, okay, thank you very much for that information. Right, going back to the flight data, there is no transponder turned on yet. We will change the app as well and always refresh and always check. Let's have a look on. Okay, here we go. Right. Here we go. Transponder is on. Transponder is on. Here we go. Virgin Galactic X4. So thank you to all of you who gave me that information. VGX4 SS2 estimated. There you go. You can see it. There it is on the screen. Fantastic. Virgin Galactic share is going down. We've got the flight data. This is the best we can have right now. If anybody starts to broadcast it, I will know. My researchers are constantly scouring the internet to look for it, so we will see it, but we'll bring you that. We're watching the stock price. If we don't want to see it go below 320, really, we don't want to see that. But anyway, we're just watching our position at the moment. Very, very good. Very, very good. Let's check some more information. VGX4. It's not left yet. That's why it's not doing that on that particular account. But we got that. Okay. Checking in on all the flight. Whoops, a daisy. Beg your pardon. Okay, that's looking good. We are zooming in. Make sure that we get everything live for you as it happens. We won't miss anything. Okay, we are keeping an eye on it. 227, 226. It's hovering around this area. We'll keep our eye on it, though. Okay, now then. Let's just do a little bit of housework while we're doing this. We are just waiting for it to get off the ground. Oh, here comes the camera plane that always flies in. I think it's flying in now. Looking at that. Nothing to share with you just yet. Right, let's do a little bit of housework. Help me out, folks. Help me out. You ready? Let's get a bit of funky music. Put Mr. Mini-Me on the screen. YouTube now is all about engagement, not subscribers. As lovely as much as I want you to subscribe to my channel, of course I do. It's all about getting involved. 153 of you watching. Thank you very much for giving me your time this morning. I really appreciate it. And I respect your time and trying to bring you the best, most honest broadcast on YouTube TV. Unfortunately, most people are lazy. 50% of people just sit and don't do anything. They don't sign in, they don't engage, they don't do anything. So we try to get 50%. So 152 of you would be about 75 of you to actually engage. So let's go over here. We've got 56 so far. 99.5%, fortunately for me, like the content. Only 0.5 don't. But help me to help you. get involved. If you tap the like button, it will share it out to more people. More people will get to learn about Virgin Galactic. Most importantly, you'll be shown my live broadcasts, my live events if you tap the like button, because YouTube say, okay, you like this, we'll show you more in the future. If, however, and I don't mind, I'm not trying to grow the biggest channel in the world, I'm trying to grow the best, most honest, most real, most live. If you don't like my content, and that is fine, I might not like you. It's perfectly acceptable. All right? Tap the down like button. That way, you won't see any more of my content. It will stop showing you, so you'll see what you want to see. You won't see me anymore, and I will get an even better engaged audience. You'll be happy because you won't get me talking to you every morning. Not as if you can't mute me or turn me off. I'm just saying, I come into your house and you can't stop it. If you tap the down like, you won't see me. If you tap the up like, you will. So thank you very much. What we'd love to get is 100% of engagement, but unfortunately we don't. Now, if you're thinking, well, perhaps it's because everyone's down liking it, it's not. I've shared on my screen many times that it's 99.5% give me up likes on my Virgin Galactic videos. So it's just because people don't sign in, they can't be bothered, they don't do anything, they're just lazy. Like this morning, we've only got a handful of people retweeted my post when all I'm trying to do is promote Virgin Galactic. People are lazy, unfortunately. All right? So anyway, tap the like button. Thank you for all of you that have done it. Half of you have nearly done it, which is about the average. We would love to get higher than that, but that's pretty good. Thank you ever so much indeed for doing that. All right. Thanks a lot. Let's get back to it. Let's get back to our live positions. Now then, there is still no flight off the ground. It's just on the ground. Let's have a look. It's VGX4 SS2 estimated 85 seconds ago. NM, it is 9NM9. 9NM9. That's what we're looking at. 9NM9. We keep refreshing. We keep looking for more information all the time. Nothing yet from Virgin Galactic themselves. We will keep you updated with everything. If anyone gets any information, they'll send it in. 225 now. That's not good. We don't like to see that. I bought more this morning. I was happy to buy more. It's going down. I don't want to see it go below 220. Let's read all your comments in case I've missed anyone. Tilray, come on. Fair shout. Kai Shand. Prediction for later today, Martyn. Space. Another flight, dump or hold. I'm adding. I'm adding my position. So if it goes lower, I just buy more. Hello there, investors and traders. FFIE going down more. Yeah, FFIE is going bankrupt. No question about it. It's a lot of rubbish. I said it on the earnings because they talked about, in fact, they were very arrogant. They didn't care about the investors. They didn't care. When an investor doesn't care when the company CEO doesn't care about the investor and always talks about the brand rather than selling anything, you know it's a bad deal. So I've lost my money. I didn't buy much. I'm holding it like a lottery ticket. The Zach the same way as I hold Mullen. It's just a free lottery ticket. It's got no value whatsoever. Look at Nicola. Is it going to zero? Nicola, I wouldn't be in Nicola. I can't look at it right now. Gabriel, if you are a member of the channel, I can, but I have to focus on my members right now. Join the Lucas Age, says Chris Hargreaves. Hi, Chris. Hi, Zach. Struggling to use the link to share it. Can't seem to log into a browser version. Any advice on how to do it on an app? You can't log in. Well, obviously, YouTube is Google. You just use your Gmail account, your Google account to sign in. I can't help you with that, obviously. The link works every time. You just need a browser. If Google Chrome doesn't work, use Safari. It depends on your device and so on and so forth, your settings. But it does work. The membership, that's why, you can see everyone with a badge. You might need to just use an iPad or a computer. It works on your phone. All you're doing is going to the membership page on the channel. See here, look, membership. This is where you're going, and you'll see it here. You see? But if you are, and I could become a member if I wasn't a member. I'm a member of my own channel. Can you believe it? People often ask me, why do you like your own posts? And I say, because I like my life. I love what I do. I always like my own posts, don't you? Well, I don't think you should like your own post. Well, why not? I love what I do. Don't you? I'm sorry you don't. Anyway, do you think Virgin Galactic is over for us? Do we have any last hope? No, I don't think it's over. At what time is the flight? The flight is any time now. They don't give a precise time. The window opens at 10 a.m., which is an hour, but we could get information before that. So within the next hour, probably before. I just watched video, brilliant, Martyn. Crag, wasn't that great with Zach and all the kids? Absolutely brilliant, fantastic, Craig. Spread the words, share the link with your network. What video are we sharing? What video are we sharing? What do you mean, Kai? Are we sharing a video? You can share any video you want. Which one specifically? 222, lucky number, Craig. Keep up the good work. Even though you don't always like the stock price direction, you still like the concept of space. Art Tagger, I certainly do. Welcome to you. Now, the broadcast lounge is open. If anybody wants to call in, you can call in live on the show. Live on the show, you can call in. We're waiting for information from Virgin Galactic. It's not available yet. There's nothing on their website. If you're looking, there's nothing. If you go to their YouTube channel, there is nothing. There is nothing. Okay. No media is covering it because it's not getting the numbers anymore. All right. That's unfortunate. That's just the way it is. But we're also covering their Twitter account, their X account. I also have people, myself, that follow me on X and send me information. Here we go. 7 minutes ago. Today's great day out. Here it is. So now then, okay. Here is the event. Good luck. Good luck. We are watching. We are watching you live on our channel. Fly safe. Okay, let me put the broadcast link in there and everyone can join us. Okay. There we are. That's it right now. That was just a few moments ago, 8 minutes ago, as you can see. It's just a photograph. Nothing's happening at the moment. We're just parked up there. We've got the live view. Okay. No one is broadcasting it other than us. We will bring you all the information. You know that. Share price is going down. Okay. Oy, oy, oy. Now then, if you've not yet seen this, up to $1 million I will spend on Virgin Galactic shares from the money I make from the Virgin Galactic song, and all you got to do is share the video, and the money it makes so far, it's about $35, but I would spend up to $1 million. Here is the Virgin Galactic song. I'm going to just show you just very quickly. Here it is. I'm not going to play the whole thing today. Just going to show you. There it is. If you share this video, up to $1 million I will spend on the stock.
Is there anybody out there in space? Is there anybody out there in the dark?
So there you go. If you want to hear the Virgin Galactic song, share it. It's up to you. All you've got to do is, there's the link there, Virgin Galactic song. If you want to actually, talk about Virgin Galactic and share it and all the rest of it, The money I make from the video up to $1 million, I will buy Virgin Galactic stock. Okay, so there you go. It's Virgin Galactic song. It's better than their Khaled one. Theirs is rubbish. They don't even promote it, and it's rubbish anyway. If you like rap music, it's better than mine. It's better than mine, but I don't like rap music. I can't even do rap music. I'm too old for that. Anyway, there you go. There's the Virgin Galactic song. Can you look at Jose Quintana, ticker, want to implement a $1 dividend? Jose, we've got to focus today on Virgin Galactic. It's flying today. Any minute we're going to be up in the air. But you are one of our gold members, so you take priority over just about everyone. So I absolutely will take a look for you right now. Jose, by the way, is one of our gold members in our channel. He gets lots of perks and benefits, one-on-one, live video calls, many things. And he's just asked me to have a quick look at NBSE. Yes, it's down today, 28%. The news is saying they want to implement a $1 dividend. They won't be able to on a stock like that. There's no way they can put a $1 dividend on a stock that's worth $1. That's is that a Chinese company? No, it's from Pennsylvania. I wouldn't believe that. When you say news, if you're hearing it on Reddit, it's a load of rubbish. I wouldn't touch that stock in a barge pole. Stop concentrating on these penny stocks, Jose. It's a really bad idea. Warren Buffett came in, made money, then realized it was a bad idea. Stop concentrating on rubbish stocks that promise the world. 9 times out of 10, they don't deliver. Of course, when they deliver, you can make some money, but I wouldn't be doing that if I were you. Anyway, keep up the good work, Faith. Thank you so much indeed. Hamster, we've got a message here from Russia. Let me translate it, everybody. Here we go. What does it say? This is what it says in translated.
Martyn forgot to thank you for the excellent opportunity not only to receive information that is really useful for success in the market, but also for giving practice in learning English.
You're very, very welcome.
Мартин забыл поблагодарить тебя за отличную возможность не только получать информацию, которая действительно полезна для успеха на рынке, но еще и за то, что даешь практику в изучении английского языка.
Stephen Lewandowski, no, the breakfast bar is not closed. It's always there. I can see it. What is open, the broadcast lounge is open. If anybody wants to call in, any of my members, the broadcast lounge is open today. Anyone can call in and be live on the show. Right, let's have a look here a minute. I'm going to buy some more Virgin Galactic. I'm going to buy some more shares. Right. Okay, I'm going to buy some more shares right now. Let me have a look. We're getting the morning sell-off. Okay. I've got nothing I want to actually... I've got nothing I actually want to sell, so I'm going to hold fire for a minute. What time is the flight? Imminent. Eligio, it's imminent now. We are waiting to see the information, the data. No one's broadcasting it other than us. We've got the transponder is turned on. I'm looking at the website. I'm looking at X. I'm looking at Virgin Galactic. There is no information other than what was taken a few minutes ago. They're actually sat now on the pad. Aha! Hang on. Okay, no. Hang on. No. Couple of planes have entered the area. That's not it. We've got, I think we've got the camera plane coming into view. This is what I'm looking at. This looks like the camera plane It's been used before. It's coming into view. We'll keep an eye on that. But no, the craft hasn't got off the ground yet. All right, and it won't do yet for another few minutes. But we will keep our eye on it. Thank you for your subscription. I can't pronounce your name, but thank you so much indeed. Is the market crashing? Everything's going down. Can anybody told me? Alessio, ask the question again. I'm not sure what your question was. At what time is the flight? The flight is imminent. Imminent. It says online flight time is in an hour. Yes, but it's imminent. It could come before then. That's the scheduled time, but it could come before then, as in the transponder gets turned on and we see the data. So that's why we're here. That's when the window, the official window opens. I'm with 200 at 222, waiting. Very nice indeed. Zach Zate's buying some more at 222. Now then, we can see some planes coming into the area. It's not there yet. Could be the camera plane. VGX4. X4 is still on the ground. We're watching it. We will go over now and have a quick look at the market data on the stock. Let's have a look. Hello, mate. Great channel. William Horn. Thank you so much indeed. Really do appreciate it. Let's have a quick look here. William, you just came right across my face. Oh, and again, William Horn, what's going on here? Right. Let's have a look at the data we've got right now. Let's go to Virgin Galactic. Space, it is down. I'm down 35% now. We'll look at level 2. The order book. More selling coming in. So there's still selling pressure at the moment. We've got, remember, this is very manipulative. You can't really use this as a guide. It's designed to catch you out. You need level 3 or 4 at least. But that, again, doesn't give any predictions. If we look at the chart, we can see... this will give me some more information, but again, I have my chart team who take care of all of this. I'm more focused on the fundamentals for this stock at the moment. Where it's been doesn't really interest me too much. It's my relationships with the people I have on the ground, the reason why I buy any stock. All right, we're getting a bit of a delay. Oh, there it is. There you go. Now, it was in the RSI oversold area. It's starting to enter that main channel again now, but again, it doesn't really tell us too much, and it doesn't confirm one way or another. You need a lot more information than this, but it's starting to go up, sort of pick up from where it was. It could be a scalp trade opportunity again. I'm not scalping my main position. I pay tax on it. That's what my Roth IRA is for. Full disclosure, I'm holding my long-term position. All right, William Horn. Where are you from, William Horn? Love to have you here. Now, anyone can call in live to the show. The broadcast lounge is open. Zach Zate, Mike, anybody, any of my members, you can call in. This is the broadcast lounge. You can be live on the show. The invitation's always out there to Virgin Galactic. So Richard Branson, the family of Richard Branson, they all have my Virgin Galactic song. They can call in. Anyone can call in. The number is open. It's free and open for anyone to call in. All right? Okay. Now then. I'm in red. The market is in blue. That's Warren Buffett, if you like. 227. Puts. You're going to make money here. Sorry, no. Andrew, just to let you know, that's fine. I don't do options at all. I don't like to buy shares. I buy companies. I research people. I know what they're doing, what the balance sheet is. 85% of our polled viewers have never read the balance sheet. We ask people all the time. I don't do options trading at all. I'm all about the actual fundamentals, the money, the people, what's going on, who's doing what, building relationships, always live. That's what I'm all about. So, just so you know, it's for me, and and a lot of my stocks that I have, of course, are loaned out. I loan my stocks out for those that want to short stocks. That's fine. I make 1% from you doing it because, in my experience, options traders win the battles, always win the battles, but always lose the wars eventually. So for me, I've got no problem with anybody doing options trading because I earn 1% from everyone that does it. Without actually having to be involved in it myself. But I don't like options because if in my book, it's gambling. You are picking a price at a time. I don't like it. I look at the company. Is it making money? Will it make money? Is it proprietary? Is it unique? Does it have any competition? Who works there? What's going on? How much money have they got? How much debt have they got? What's their path to profitability? Then I risk manage and look at a balanced portfolio. And for those of you who've not seen my show before, I started with $5,000. I put $4 a week in. Until last week, I now put $20 a week in. That's all I can afford. I'm a small YouTube channel, which I'm growing. I used to earn 20 grand a night when I was the world piano man selling out theaters, but COVID and my back ended all of that. So now I'm building this channel and investing what I earn from this. And this is my entire income. I started at $5,000, $4 a week, and it's now $20 a week because it's what I earn on YouTube. This is all the money I have in the world. No money in the bank. This is my bank. This is how I pay my bills. And my Roth IRA is worth 15. And the reason for sharing with you all the information is you can see exactly whether I'm up, whether I'm down, whether it's real or not. I'm not here to sell videos. I'm here to share my journey and your experiences and your life together up to 10 hours a day. So that's what I'm about. I'm not an options trader. I like to buy and invest in the companies, not to gamble against a direction. That's not for me. I am too excited about the flight. Too much coffee for me now. Zaxay is one of our investors, one of our larger investors. Stephen Lewandowski is also a very large Virgin Galactic investor. He's on holiday, watching from his hotel today. And welcome to all of you. Really do appreciate that, you being here. And they're buying the stock all the time. Martyn, how are you able to trade on Robinhood from the UK? Well, that's a very easy one to answer, Jacob. I'm actually from the UK, but my studio is here in Dallas. My home is in the UK. My studio is here in Dallas. This is my studio here in Dallas. So I have got a green card. I work here in the United States. So I have a social number, I have a bank account, and I have Robinhood. Very soon, however, Robinhood imminently is coming to the UK. And all my viewers here, I've got half my audience from the UK actually, want my referral. They want to support me because if they use my referral, they get free shares, I get free shares, everybody wins, right? It's like giving me a tip without it costing any money. And all of my members want to get Robinhood. It's coming imminently. As soon as it comes, I will have the link live in my show and you'll be able to all get it and win free stocks. For those of you who are from the US who want free stocks now, there again is my invitation. Share the link. We had people win. Well, we had one person win an Apple share once. Win an Apple share. Let me just give you the link in the screen. If you on the channel, sorry. If you want to get free stocks today, I'll guide you through it. I'll help you. You'll win up to $200 in stock. As I say, one person won an Apple share. There's my link. I use Robinhood. I'm not employed by Robinhood or sponsored. I just love it. I invest in it. And it's what I believe in. I use it myself. So there you go. I've tried all the other platforms. It's by far the best platform in my humble opinion. All right. Okay. Now then, flight time is imminent. Let's go back to the flight radar. Let's see what's going on. A lot of hard questions need to be asked by Mr. Cole Glazier. His head seems to be in the sand, to be honest. Clearly not worried on the value of the company. Well, we've seen the SEC filings where he sold a few, and I put that information out. People were very concerned about it with, has he sold all his shares and all the rest of it? He sold some shares that he wouldn't have even known about. It was all just part of paperwork, and it was just a handful of shares, less than a percent. So it's not a concern. from that point of view. Michael Cole Glazier is not that concerned about the stock price. The stock price is not the value of the company. On paper it is, but the value of the company is the people on the ground and the belief of where we're going, not the share price. The share price is to do with the shorters. It's to do with the institutions that are waiting to buy it. Richard Branson, we learned yesterday, has 15% stake in Virgin Galactic. Space, 10,500, 350. Good afternoon, George. Lovely to have you here. Greetings to Stephen in the hotel. Hi, Tio. Welcome to you. Once we start getting that short squeeze kick in, which we could, around this $2 area, it'll shoot up and then it will start worrying people that it's not going to go down again. And that's when the shorters will start being forced to buy it as a short squeeze. Okay, let's go over to our radar right now. Let's see what's going on. Still on the hanger. Whoops. Yeah, still sat outside. This is the information here. It is 9NM9. If you want to search for it yourself, you can. VGX4. There it is. It's sat there. The transponder is on but not moving. We're waiting now. Any moment now, we shall get some information. Hi, Martin. Tim Rogers from Las Vegas. How are you, Tim Rogers? Excellent coverage on flight today. Can you see Virgin Galactic going to 210 this morning? Oh, easily. It'll go to 150 when it dilutes. It's just whether we can get it to 4 or 5, and then it will come back down to here. That's why I'm holding off going in with my full allocation until it dilutes, which is what the institutions are doing. We learned yesterday, if anyone has not yet seen this, yesterday I put out a video for you, and it was for the interview that I had with a man who gave some great insight in his opinion on Virgin Galactic. This was the interview. I did two videos about how the stock could go to zero and an in-depth. Now, you need some time to watch this. It's 41 minutes. I asked everyone to watch it before today's flight. And it's a very, very important video of where we see it going and who's involved institutions-wise, how much allocation. Sir Richard Branson's currently 15% of the stock. We talked in great depth about it. If you've not yet seen it, on the homepage of my YouTube channel, there you go. Scroll down or go to videos and you'll find it. It's the most recent video. All right. Why aren't they streaming it? There's a very good reason for that. I can answer that very, very easily. The reason is there are two decisions you make in life, aren't there? There are one, service and building a community. That's what I'm doing. All right. I am here to help support people and to be seen to be the most honest person on YouTube TV. I raise money for charities. I'm here doing live shows. This is what this is about, right? I'm not measuring the numbers. I'm building people, real people. On the first flight, we had 23,000 people watch us live. More than any other YouTube channel in the world, and that includes all the news YouTube channels, not the news TV channels, the news like the BBC, Sky, CNBC, YouTube channels. Watched it with us live, and we were by far the smallest channel because we built a community, right? Afterwards, more people watched on other channels afterwards, but during the live event, 23,000. Then the next flight was 11,000, or I think 8,000. Now today we've got 209. Now that doesn't mean we've had 209 for the stream. We've actually had, let me share with you, 948, 950. There you go. That's how many views we've had through the stream. Okay. Let's see if my subscribers has gone up while I'm doing that. 10,533. Hey, Thank you very much. Right? And I said on the last flight, and you can go back and see it, the next flight, they won't cover it. Virgin Galactic won't cover it because they're all about the numbers, not the people, not the community. The news aren't covering it. Not enough people watching it. They'll show something else. They'll show, I don't know, Donald Trump walking around talking about whatever he's talking about. It's not going to get the numbers. Now, you might say, is that a concern for the stock? Partly, but the institutions don't care. They couldn't care less. At the beginning, we thought the publicity would drive the stock, get a celebrity on board, drive it up. That time has come and gone, and it's not coming back, ever. We don't care. As investors, as institutions, they don't care if Elon Musk flies. There'll be a little pop. There'll be a few Redditors talk a load of rubbish, suddenly get involved. There'll be people like the Wolf of Dubai. Everybody watched when it was up, going up with COVID-free stimulus checks when everybody was bored. But when it started going down, he stopped broadcasting and then just said, buy my training courses, which was the worst advice you could give anyone. I don't provide any training courses, and no one pays me anything other than if you want to be a member to support the channel. And that's what's happened. The publicity is gone. So now what we need, what's more important, is the Delta fleet to come online as quick as possible, number one. Number two, Virgin Galactic should hire me for marketing because I'm better at it. Number three, institutions will buy it when they see the dilution done and the confirmation of the path to profitability. Now, today is another step in that direction. Another successful flight, another happy customers. On the last flight, it was brilliant. The publicity and the marketing was rubbish, but the publicity was fantastic. What that gentleman with Parkinson's said was amazing. It was really, really great. It was really, really great. I'm in belief that people will want to go into space. They'll want to do this, and they can be profitable. Okay, so it's a long-term investment. I've scalped it. I've made some money. Now I'm just investing in it. Thank you, Jay Pierce, for your subscription. Appreciate it. So the rock and roll of Richard Branson has gone, bearing in mind he still owns about 15% worth of it. Thanks for all these subscribers, by the way. Everyone's going crazy. This is absolutely brilliant. If you've not yet subscribed, tap the subscribe button. Help me out. Smash the like button as well. Lazy people. We've got less than 50%. We should have 112 likes. And the reason for that is 50% of people don't do anything. 50% are lazy. Only 4 people have entered, have done all the things you can do to win our $204 cash prize. We're giving out $204 cash prize today. Rob, I'm telling you how you can get $150 in cash from Robinhood. Only 3 people have done it. And I've had about 12 people use my referral to get free stocks. People are lazy. Only 2 people reposted the Virgin Galactic song on the Virgin Galactic X page. 2. People are lazy. So get involved, all right? There you go. A few people now are paying attention. Let's get it going. Sod it. I'm getting fed up now. Let's do something about it. We don't want lazy people are a pain in the backside, all right? Stop being so lazy. Right. This is what we got. No one else is covering it. They've all given up because they're not making enough money. They're not going to cover it until they make any money. I'm covering it because I love my audience and the people that are my members. They want me to be live. I'm always live, 10 hours a day, up to. Right? Yeah, Supercar Blondie is better looking. Andrew, I'll give you that. So help me out to help you out, to make you money, to make Virgin Galactic fly. 232, on average, 50% vote. So around about 110 is 50%. 99.5% of viewers give me an up like on my Virgin Galactic broadcast. I don't care if you down like it. I don't care. I'm not trying to grow the biggest. I'm trying to grow the best, most engaged. If you like my content and you want to see it again when I go live or anything that I do, tap the up like. YouTube will then suggest my content to you. If you don't like it, you think I hate what he talks about, he's rubbish, he hasn't got a clue what he's talking about, and that's fine. I get people who say that all the time. I got no problem with that. Then click the down like button. Click the down like button and you won't ever see me anymore, and you can go and watch all the YouTube channels that will tell you that you're all going to get rich and talk a lot of bloody rubbish. You go and watch them instead. I am fine with that. I don't want you here. I don't. I want the best, most real, most honest, most engaged people so we grow the best. But most importantly, you will get the content that you want. Thanks to all of you that have smashed a like. I really appreciate it. The rest of you, I don't care. Be lazy or don't bother. I don't care. I'm not here for you. I'm here to build a family, not the scammers, the bots, and the lazy people. I ain't got time for it. All right. There's not another channel on, there's not another TV broadcast. And I do say a TV because I've built a TV studio, not a YouTube studio. And the reason why I say that is there's nobody online will tell you to downlike their videos and not watch. I do, because I want the strongest family, most engaged family in the world. That's what I want. And that will make us the best and the biggest channel in the world by default. Right, let me read some of these comments that I've missed. Why aren't they streaming it? So that's why I answered it. I think I gave a full description why. If I didn't, please ask me again. What way could the flight today cause the stock to change? It can't. All we're looking for today is another successful flight. We're about to get off the ground. I'll bring it to you. Here it is. We're looking at it. All we want today, and what institutions are looking for, what we need, it's quite simple, really. What we need is a successful flight, happy customers, more people ready to part with their hard-earned money. People like me, I want to buy a ticket, right? That's what they want. That's all they want. All the institutions care about now is it making money, period. No more rock and roll, no more excitement, just people buying the ticket. On the last earning call, they shared that some of the customers close does not want a live coverage. There are some flights without. That's correct. Would you want it streamed? I would, because I'd want everyone to play my song. I'd want everyone to play the Virgin Galactic song. I would want everyone to subscribe to my YouTube channel, wouldn't I? Supercar Blondie and Martin for full-time marketing. There you go. Supercar Blondie is hotter than him. I agree with that. I changed the order of 225. Penny Love, all-time low. There you go. Very, very nice, Zach's 8. I agree with you that you should be in charge of marketing at Virgin Galactic. You would do a great job. Yes, I would. Well, I could be if all of you message them, but you don't. You're lazy. If it's a successful flight, how much could the stock change? I don't think it will. I don't think it will. Alessandro, who is on board today? There's a British flag and South African flag. Are we having the first contract signed in zero gravity between Branson and Musk? No, sadly, we're not. That would be good. Alessandro Boccaletti. Hey, are you from Italy? Are you from Italy? I've got something for you. You ready?
Time to say goodbye. Su navi per Marie che è la soi. No, esco di pie con me. How about that? And
I've muted myself. That's better. That's better. I muted the wrong one. There you go. A bit of Andre Bocelli. That I'm just guessing Alessandro was from Italy. He might not be. Rocket Labs scheduling launch window for next Capella space mission. Rocket Labs, we are also now buying shares. If you don't follow us yet for Rocket Labs, we've started to buy in with profit I made scalping Virgin Galactic a while ago before I started to buy back in again. There is my Rocket Labs investment. I'm down 6% on it, but I'm buying Rocket Lab as well. Sorry, Rocket Lab, not Rocket Labs. Yes, there you go. Nice. Nice. Brilliant. Okay, imminently now we'll be getting off the ground. Let's have a look. Flight aware. Information, of course, can change. Back to are we in the air yet? No, we're still on the ground. Still on the ground. Just sharing with you, there's the information, still on the ground. Okay, back to X's website, Virgin Galactic X. Any more pictures? I think they're still sat there. We are waiting. Here we go. The flight route. Yeah, we know all about that. Yeah. Mission will mark our, 0 3. Nothing there. Rocket Lab is doing well. Okay. If you've just tuned in, please subscribe and ring the bell and smash the like button. Well, we're waiting just a couple of minutes now. We've got a couple of very, very important announcements to make. Some very, very important things. Straight after today's show, we're going to take a break, and then we got the afternoon closing bell. In the closing bell this afternoon, we are giving away $204 live on the show in cash. In cash, live on the show this afternoon, in cash, we're giving away free money live on the show. You'll watch me do it. You don't have to be present to win. Here is our giveaway. 4 hours left. It's completely free to enter. Who wants $204 in cash? Here is the link, martynlucas.com/giveaway. There it is. It's sponsored by Sensei Crypto. We've got the cash. We're going to pay it out. There it is. You can join. Now, it's like a lottery, except it's free tickets. You scroll down here. You can do one thing to win. Like, you can enter using Twitter, enter using YouTube. You can like a post on Facebook. You can share the video, leave a comment. You can do one thing, or you can do all. Only 4 people have done. I thought it had moved. Then it hasn't. Only 4 people have done all the thing. Only 4 people have done all the things. Most people don't bother doing anything. All right. Most people just do one thing. So if you want to, you can win the lottery just by doing one thing, or you can do as many as you like. It's entirely up to you. Okay? It's entirely up to you. Let me just check the flight radar a second. Just checking some information. Okay. All right, so there is our competition. It's free to enter, free for all. If you want some extra tickets and you want to win 100 tickets, after today's broadcast, I'm sending out a newsletter. Again, it's free. It's a secure website. Here is the link, martynlucas.com. Same again. There's the links. All you need is your email. You will get an auto response straight away, which just goes probably into your junk folder because it's a. Why is everyone saying gone? Why is everyone saying gone? If you put your email in here, you'll get a response straight back. That's just the verification email. Leah, what is it? Oh, hang on a minute. I'm being surrounded by different noises, information coming into me. So yeah, you will get a verification email. That is not the newsletter. Just make sure that you've checked your junk folder for it, and then I will send it out after the show, and you will get the actual email later on with your free tickets in it. All right? Okay, fantastic. Oh, I see. Did we have some bad people in the chat? Do we have some bad people in the chat? Okay. We often get it. You always get somebody, often from Reddit. All right. Okay. The stock is going down. We don't like it, but it is. Live stream code. Live stream code. I have no idea, Flapjack, what that means. What does live stream code mean? Right, back to X. See if they've got any more information yet. I don't think they have. The flight data hasn't been updated yet. No, we're just waiting now on the tarmac, as you can see. Nothing to report yet. I don't know how space went down again. I do. It's the signal for the institution to jump in. I'm not worried about that. No flight yet. You'll see it because you'll see two craft attached together. Remember Warren Buffett says famously, the rich get richer, the poor get poorer. The stock market is a place of transference from the patient to the impatient. The poor, the retail investor, is impatient. It goes down, they sell it. The rich institutions will buy it from you. That's exactly what is happening right now. It's the patient to the impatient. We are in the air. Here we go. We've just taken off. There we go. The flight is now on. Here we go. The flight's in the air. You can see it on the screen. We are watching it right now. A 3-digit giveaway code said to be in the live stream. A 3-digit giveaway code said to be in the live stream. I'm not sure, Flapjack, what you're talking about. If you go to the information page, the competition page, it will explain exactly how to enter. It explains it. It gives you all the links to the videos, tells you what comments to leave, tells you how to do it. I can't provide one-on-one to tell you how to do it. Oh, I know what you're talking about. Yes, the 3-digit giveaway code said to be in the live stream. Yes, if you read it properly, it will say the live stream and it will give you that was the first flight. And it will show you the thumbnail. It will show you the video link. And it says, watch this video. And you will get 3 numbers from that. That's just one of many things you can do. You don't have to do that one. You can do that one if you want to. And what you can do, you can scan through the video if you don't want to watch it all the way through. That was the first flight when we had 23,000 people watch us live. And what you will see is 3 numbers given to you. And it explains all of that. It tells you, watch it through, find the 3 numbers, add them together. That's what that is. Now I've remembered what that one is. All right. Zach Zay, it said it's official. I bought my last space. I now have 5,000 shares. Good luck to Zach Zay. 223. It's now going up. We've got a message here that's, I believe, in Russian. Let me just translate that. It's going to 150, I think is the comment. I've got my total target. Very nice indeed. Why no lives from Virgin Galactic website? We explained that earlier. If I get chance, I will explain it again. But right now, we've got to focus on the flight. They're not covering it. I've explained in detail why they're not covering it. Why not no other news outlet is covering it? Because there's no money in it for them, right? I'm not doing it for the money. I'm doing it to build a family and a community. All right? Okay. Share price now is at 224. We are in the air. We're now at 17,000 feet. We're looking for 52. Are you aware of the Virgin Galactic Italian government agreement? Let me just read this. Alessandro, are you aware of the Virgin Galactic Italian government agreement for the... No, I'm not aware of that. I don't know what that is. Again, just as a warning to everybody, this gentleman watching us is not a verified user. We get a lot of guests today who are coming in on these shows. We can't verify information other than my members. It's why we have a membership program. It's not there to make me rich. It's not about that. It's there to provide you with better service, but also to verify our viewers. Lots of people make up stories, promote the stock. People from Reddit come on and say rubbish. So that gentleman there, that was Alessandro. If you'd like to become a member, it's only a couple of bucks a month, which is our lowest level. We've got bronze, silver, gold, and investor level, and sponsorship level as well. You can sponsor the show. We can verify you, and then you can call into the show, share links, share information, send in images, live video during the show, and we can verify your information. I'd love it if you could send that information in. I'm not aware of it, so please do. You think they will post the video after the flight? Probably once if the guests are happy. Good luck, Zach. Stock price, go, go, go. Says TC. It's going down at the moment. Let me just check all around my studio. Everything is good. Yeah, everything is fine. Okay. There's the flight data. We are watching it closely. As you can see there, I prefer this feed here. But either way, doesn't matter. We are now at 23,000 feet. 52 is the release. All we need as investors is it for it to go well, them enjoy themselves, tell their friends, and Virgin Galactic are now relying on others to promote them. Clearly, they're not doing it, but we'll be watching it closely. If you've just tuned in, a lot of people haven't tapped the like button, subscribe. Please help us out. We've got 280, so we should have 140 likes, which is 50%. 50% of people don't bother. It's not that people don't like the stream. I get 99.5% up likes. It's because a lot of people don't sign into YouTube. That way they don't get recommended the videos. And so if you sign in and engage with the channel, you will actually be shown my content, and it'll also then help the channel grow, but also give you the content that you're looking for. All right. So please help me out by tapping the like button. Let's have a look. Flapjack, I reckon the stock will be at $3 by tomorrow. Why do you say that? Why? What evidence do you have for that? Of course, if you say it's going to go up, that's because, see, I'm making relationships with people on the ground. As you know, Matthew Brown contacted the show. Matthew Brown tried to buy Virgin Orbit. He's a big investor in SpaceX. It was prevented by Richard Branson from going through. But we got people to follow me, and I learned from people. And why I bought this morning and why I'm interested in the stock is I am looking for when those people buy, the institutions buy, because they can afford to buy and hold patiently. While retail investors like you and I, we get fearful and FOMO, and we sell out and we buy when it goes up, sell when it goes down. I'm looking for them. So I don't have any information yet, a few rumors, but nothing I can confirm and share with you that institutions or anybody big is about to buy it. That is why you buy the stock. That is why you buy into the stock. You're just saying you think it's going to be 3. Do you know somebody? Have you got a friend? Someone follows you on social media? Somebody that you know is about to buy millions of shares of the stock? If you do, let me know. I don't know that. No lie because Jay-Z and Beyonce are no. That's not true. Jay-Z and Beyonce are not on the plane. It's not a plane anyway. But so that's incorrect information. Anyway, do you think that the company will go bankrupt if something bad will happen? Of course they would. If the flight crashed, it's over. That's why we spent years preparing and getting it right. Absolutely, BRN. If there is a problem, why do you think institutions are in? They're not in big enough. Richard Branson owns about 15% of the stock currently, and as the company grows, you have to sell more of the pie. That's the way it works, right? But if that happens, then yes, of course, the whole thing is done with. There's no recovery from that. None whatsoever. Shorting Virgin to $2. Max H is one of our shorters. Max H, as you know, I never short stocks. It's not my thing at all. I understand why you do it and respect you for doing it. I just don't ever short stocks. It's not for me at all. Me too, Andrew. They're all short in the stock, and that's fine because I'm earning 1% from them doing that. Everybody that shorts the stock, I stock lend my stocks out. And people often say, why do you lend your stocks out for a stock that you believe in? Because I'm a bank. Banks lend out money. You go out and buy cigarettes and give yourself cancer. It's not my concern. I'm lending you out money. You do what you want. I'm earning interest. I'm lending out my stocks for Andrew and Max H to short the stock. And that's fine. What that does is it brings the stock down so I can buy more. Eventually they will lose. They will win short term because the stock's going down. They win. However, they have to guess what price, and they also have to guess what time. I'm not a gambler or a predictor or can see the future. Not possible for me. I'm more interested in the fundamentals and the people that are buying it and when they're buying it and how they're buying it. And I know it's coming. So at some point there'll be a short squeeze and all of these shorters will lose their money. It's what happens every time. So I love the shorters. I'll just never do it. Virgin Galactic successful flights, good feedback from the paying customers to convince celebrities and other potential customers. Oh yeah, plus management to be more successful. Indeed. If it hits $3 tomorrow, I'd be so happy, but I won't hold my breath. It's not a guess at this point, LOL. It's not a guess. Of course it is. Of course it is. Anybody who shorts a stock has to guess because all a shorter can do, an options trader, all they can do is look at the chart where it's been. They cannot predict where it's going. Nobody knows whether the stock's going up, down, left, or right. You've heard the phrase from the Wolf of Wall Street, right? Nobody. So if Wall Street don't know, I'm pretty sure you don't know. You've no idea. What you do know is how the stock has reacted in the past. However, we're now at all-time lows. There's no information to confirm it's going lower. So it is 100% absolutely a guess. And the difference between me buying the shares this morning, I'm buying the company, not the share price. A shorter, however, has to guess if it's going down, by how much, by a certain date. I don't have to do that. Let's have a look. You mean like Virgin Orbit? Virgin Orbit went bust, and the reason why Virgin Orbit went bust was it could have been saved by Matthew Brown, but Richard Branson, being the businessman that he is, wanting to let it die so he could have his money for Virgin Galactic, took his money out and prevented it from being rescued by Matthew Brown. Matthew Brown was going to buy Virgin Galactic. They called me into the show. So we know all of this. We know why it was stopped. So anyway, very different story. I was assuming that the reason the stock has been dropping dramatically was because the dilution is underway. Is that possible? We know exactly how much dilution is done because we've read the SEC filings. You, as an investor, need to read the SEC filings. You shouldn't wait for me to tell you. We already know just over half of the dilution is done. There's another just under half to go. We know that's about to happen. It won't happen now, though. It needs to go up, right? If it gets to 4 or 5, it can come back and settle around 253 where it is now. However, if we run out of money quickly enough, too quick, then we'll have to dilute quicker. But we know when it dilutes, everyone's going to jump on in. There'll be a short squeeze, everybody will jump in. So the question you have to ask yourself is simple. Do you believe the company is going to survive before it goes bust? Is it going to get to Delta class before it goes bust? It's a simple numbers. It's a simple risk management. You can see what they're burning. You can see how much time they've got. You can do that calculation for yourself. I've done it. I'm buying it. And that's really all there is to it. Anyway, That's like saying you are guessing it will go up, so you are buying. Andrew, I'm not guessing anything. That's like saying you are guessing it will go up, so you are buying. I buy not because I hope it will go up, or I've watched The Wolf of Dubai, or I've watched some YouTuber tell me how to get rich. Some 18-year-old kid sitting with his hat sideways like that in the dark and on his phone on a YouTube channel telling me it's going to go up. No. I've run successful businesses all my life. I've read the balance sheet. Why do you think I'm live every day? I'm building relationships. I've worked for Sir Richard Branson personally. I've got people who follow me. I talk to people. I want to know and build relationships, and I want to know who is buying when they're buying. That's what I'm about. Studying the stock, studying the fundamentals. I ain't guessing. However, just because I believe that the stock is going up because people are buying it and so on and so forth, who's buying it, who's showing interest and so on, that doesn't mean to say it's going to succeed. So I have to risk manage. I have to have a portfolio. And as you all know, I've got a very balanced portfolio. I'll share with you my real money, my real trades. Here's my Robinhood account. I started with $5,000. I put $4 a week in till last week. Now it's $20 a week. I'm up from 5,000 to where I am today. This is my real money, my real account. And here is my real live position. I'm now worth 52,883. So I've got risk management, okay? I'm managing my money. Virgin Galactic could go to zero and my portfolio will still hit the 200 grand target that I have set within 2 years. That's going to happen. I'm not guessing. I'm not hoping. I'm calculating managed risk. There's a very, very big difference. Whereas you are absolutely 100% guessing that the stock is going to go down. And I hope you're right, because if it goes down, I can buy up to my 4,000 allocation, and then you'll get short squeezed and then it will go up. That's what I want to happen. I don't mind, but I'm definitely not guessing. You are guessing it's going up. Absolutely not. It's a long way, a long play space. Patience is key. As Warren Buffett has said, and I have said repeatedly, the stock market, particularly Virgin Galactic, is a transference of wealth from the patient to the impatient. The rich are patient. They know they're in a little club. They know when they're buying it. They know what they're doing. They see all the retail investors going crazy, going up, going down, and they just wait for you to dump it. Because you, like me, can't afford to lose money. You get fearful. Oh my God, what have I done? I've got to sell my stock. And then the institution goes, thank you very much. I'll have that. And they just wait, and they're not bothered because they can buy something else. As can you, but you're impatient. I want to get rich. I want to get rich. And that's the worst trait to have. I hope the flight numbers will increase in the coming months. They will. Have you not noticed? Has nobody noticed? It was scheduled to be one flight a month. This flight was slightly less than 1 month from last time. It's getting faster. That was a little bit of a subtle hint there to the institutions, actually, and most retail investors didn't pick it up. And I've had no comments of that point from anyone. In fact, one person, Zach8, mentioned it to me. Zach8 noticed it. Nobody else mentioned that it's slightly less than a month. So it is slowly increasing. And that's a very subtle hint to those that pay attention to the details. Hang on a minute. The schedule is speeding up. This is good. 2 flights a month. Remember, we're making money, but we're not making enough money because of the burn, the cash burn. If we could have a flight every day, we'd make money. We're just not fast enough yet. It's getting better. So that's what it's all about. It's a rocket. If something fatal happens, it's not going to crash. It will explode, of course. Yeah. Fair enough. Thank you. We have takeoff. Yeah, that was a while ago. Virgin Galactic for long term, not short term, unless you're trying to short it. How long do you invest for? How long do I invest for? As long as it takes for me to achieve my goal. I don't need the money I've got here. I've got no car loan. I've got no mortgage. You know, I can be patient. You work for Richard Branson, you say. Your opinion is, no. Walid, let me be absolutely clear. Let me be absolutely clear. And this is the reason why I reply to everyone's comments. I didn't say I work for Richard Branson. Please be absolutely clear about what I did say and what I didn't say. What I did say was I have worked for Richard Branson, Sir Richard Branson, on the Virgin experiences as the world piano man, as an entertainer. I'm familiar with him and what his dreams are, what his hopes and aspirations and business structure is. I don't work for Richard Branson today. I worked for Richard Branson's experiences. So my opinion is not biased. I couldn't care less about Richard Branson personally, financially, whatsoever. I care about two things. Number one, my wife, and number two, my audience. That's it. I care about my audience and I care about my members, and I want them to know that I give the best, most real, most honest information. Am I always right? No. It's an opinion at the end of the day. But the information is real. It's not biased. It's genuine. I study it every day. I learn from you more than you learn from me. The information I get is from my researchers, my followers, people that follow me, and all the rest of it. So I get it wrong as often as I get it right. In fact, probably I get it right more often than not. Hence why I'm up. But at the end of the day, I'm not biased in any way. I'm not married to any particular stock. Couldn't care less for anybody other than the friends I've got at Virgin Galactic. I wouldn't care about anybody else because I don't know anybody else. It doesn't matter to me. You just said it's going to 150. Isn't that guessing too? No, it's not. The 150 is a calculation based upon the cash burn, the amount of shares yet to be repurchased, the amount of dilution, the interest, and a calculation is done. Is it guessing? You could regard it as a best guess. However, it is based upon calculations, not hopery. A lot of people say, oh, it's going to $3, $5, $10. And I say, how do you calculate that? Well, I just think. Well, when I say a number, it's because I base it on calculations. Nothing is guaranteed. You're absolutely right. Nice show. Thanks for keeping it real. Holding till this rock bottoms out. What are the chances of another large company acquires Virgin Galactic? Well, it's a very good point. I've got some friends at Rocket Lab. And I've mentioned this live on the show, and people have said, that's rubbish. Well, that's fine. I have said there is an outside rumor, rumblings, things being whispered in dark corners that Rocket Lab could buy Virgin Galactic. Someone said to me, well, why would they do that? What's the point of that? Rocket Lab is putting satellites into space. Why would they care about what Virgin Galactic are doing? Rocket Lab bought out Virgin Orbit. We watched their earnings report the other day. We cover all the earnings reports. It's when you learn most about a stock. It's when you listen to the team, phone in. We have all kinds of information we learn. We learned Rocket Lab was acquired millions of dollars worth of machinery and equipment from Virgin Orbit. The sort of machinery and information they could gather from Virgin Galactic, and they bought it for next to nothing. Their business was more profitable because of the equipment that they acquired from Virgin Orbit. And there are people at Rocket Lab, because I know, because I speak to them, that are looking at Virgin Galactic. Does that mean it's going to happen? No. But could it happen? Absolutely. What does that mean for us, the investor? Nothing. It's awful for us. Just like Virgin Orbit, it took over, it got to Chapter 11, we lost all our money. I secured my spot at space at 226. Very nice indeed. If celebrities fly, the stock will fly. I don't agree with that. Used to say that. Now it's a different thing. That time has come and gone for the reasons I've given already. When did you start investing? Started investing in 1988, 89. After I left school, I started trading and investing with Barclays Bank in England. Made money on my trades, but never made any profit because the fees them days for a small account were really expensive. Hence why Robinhood was invented sort of 35, 40 years later. I'm 54 years of age, by the way, in case anybody's wondering. So Yeah, as soon as I left school, about 17, I started investing with Barclays Bank. Made money, but I never made any profit because of the fees. So I've been investing all my life. Plus, I owned one night in Vegas, the second biggest one-night touring theatre show in England, toured all over the world as the world piano man and all the rest of it. You've all seen my shows, my Vegas shows and all the rest of it. How can you calculate it knowing the market hasn't done it? How can you calculate it knowing the market hasn't done it? What do you mean? I don't understand your question. You can calculate it. Just go and read the SEC filings. Look at the balance sheet of Virgin Galactic or any company. You can see what they owe, how much money they got, what their cash burn is. MSK, Martyn started investing before I was born. Right, 223, it's going down. Break 220, it's a bit of a concern. Not a major concern. I'm not going to run away or do anything, but it's a concern. Right, we are now at 43,000 feet. So, getting ready for release. We've got another 9,000 feet to go, so probably about 15 minutes. Somewhere in that region. So, we've got a few minutes to wait. I've covered everyone's question. If you've not yet tapped the subscribe button, please do subscribe to the channel. It really, really helps. Most importantly, though, tap the like button. There it is. Let's see if we can get 200 likes. See if we can do that in 1 minute. Let's put a clock up. Let's put a minute up, shall we? You ready? Now, the reason for this, why I asked for this, is it's so important. Unfortunately, 50% of people are either unlogged in or lazy. That's just the facts. I've shared it on the screen, my analytics. I share everything on the screen. I get 99.5% of my viewers like my Virgin Galactic content. That's a fact. I've shared it. However, only half people vote. So we've got nearly 400. So 180 would be 50%. We're at 144 likes. Why is it important if you like the video? One, I provide this content for free, up to 10 hours a day. I only earn a few bucks a day. I'm a very small channel, but I'm growing really, really fast. We're on target for 100,000 subscribers within 2 years. We've raised a lot of money for charity. That's what my channel is about. Everything I do is to help other people. When you like the video, it shares it out to more people. If you like the video, it tells YouTube you like the content and you'd like to be shown this again. It will suggest to you my content in the future. If, however, you don't like my content, and I don't mind, I probably don't like you. It's perfectly fine. Tap the down like button, but do something, please. Because if you tap the down like button, you will never see my content again. You'll be happy because it's what you want. You don't want to see my content, so please do it for that reason. But then we get more and more people that only watch because they want to, which means we get a higher engagement rate, which means we grow faster, we do more, we help more people, and we become the best YouTube channel in the world. My aim is to become the best live YouTube channel, even more than Mr. Beast in the world. I want to do more for charity, more for people, always be live, up to 10 hours a day, and help people. That's what I want to do. I want to go to bed at night when my wife tells me I've done a good thing. So please tap the like button if you want any of those things. If you don't, please do tap the like, and you won't see me tomorrow on the next live show. In fact, the live show this afternoon, you won't get to see me. And that's absolutely fine. I have no problem with that whatsoever. All right. Thank you ever so much, everyone, for doing that. 162 now. Look at that, going up really quickly. Now, if you're a little tip, because we do have a big cash giveaway today. We're giving away $204 in cash. We are now at, hang on a minute. We're at 44. Let me just go in here. We're at 44,000 feet. I'm just watching. We haven't had release. I'm just double checking there for a moment. I thought I might have missed it, but I just got a bit nervous there for a moment. No, you can see that the craft is still attached. You can see the yellow vehicle underneath the red one, right? So we're still attached and we're still going up. If you want to engage with me in a live sense, some of you are behind the stream. Let me share with you what I mean. If you click under the video, you see how this is mobile or desktop. See how it says it's grey, the live is grey. That's because I'm behind the stream. Click that, you are now 30 seconds behind the stream. We do that so we can have closed captions. That's why we do that. 30 seconds behind the stream. Now, if you'd like to be within 10 seconds of me, you click the cogs and you go to 2 times speed. Now you'll be within 10 seconds of me. Have closed captions. That's why we do that. 30 seconds behind the stream. All right? Now you are fully up to date. And that's important, right? For when we're doing live questions or whatever. Thank you for the content, Tim and Bosch. You are very, very welcome. My absolute pleasure. We are still watching the flight now. We're at 44,000 feet. Very, very good indeed. Looking good. Welcome to the Virgin Galactic studio here. I'm based in Dallas, Texas. Now look, this is important. I share with you all my analytics so you can see how things are, the attention that Virgin Galactic is getting on the media. This is my analytics. This is how many people have tuned in. 2,165. These are the people that have tuned in to the live broadcast. The first flight was 23,000. The next flight was 8,000, and now we're down at 2,000. The reason for this is not because my content's rubbish and no one's watching or whatever. It's got nothing to do with that. What it's to do with is the mainstream media aren't covering it anymore. Virgin Galactic aren't broadcasting it anymore. It's now being put across as a regular thing, and it's not getting the attention. And I always said, because of what I do, I go live every day, and I'm about supporting my audience. I said I'll always be live and cover it. Now, I won't cover it when it goes live every day because we have other stocks to cover. I've got a full portfolio that I'm managing here, and I can't just do Virgin Galactic 24 hours a day. But we are covering it as long as it's like this once a month situation, because a lot of people want the information. Not because I get massive numbers. Well, it's good numbers for me, but the numbers are going down, but it's because my audience want to see it. And whereas other big media companies only care about the numbers, I care about the people. That's why I'm covering it. Let's have a look. BRN, I don't know, but I'm pretty sure that the revenue is about 750,000, 3 people paying an old price of 250,000. Yes, but there's a lot more to it than that. Is there any info as to when they stop sending flight attendants? I think today is Mr. Bennett's again. That's a quarter less revenue per flight. That's a very good question. I don't know the answer to that. I would like to find that out while you're having a marathon session. I have just got a super chat. Thank you very much.
Nice live show. Thanks. A cup of coffee for you.
Thank you so much. If you'd like a comment read out on the screen, if you would like a comment read out like that on the screen, you can do a super chat from 99 cents and it will read your comment out. So if you want your comment read out live on the show, you can do a super chat just like that and it will read it out for you. So if you've got a business, something you want to promote, I am absolutely fine. I don't mind people doing that. It's a bit of fun. You can do that, okay? I'll just show you that again so you can get a reminder of what it was. Here it was. This came in from Usagi Mitsu.
Nice live show. Thanks. A cup of coffee for you.
There you go. Just gave me 320 yen, I believe that is. So if you want to do that, if you want to highlight your name, mention something, talk about Virgin Galactic and have it read out for you, you can do that just underneath the video. Just underneath the live chat is a little $ sign here, and you can do it. You can do membership gifting. Our members, 95% of our live viewers on a regular show, not when we have a guest like this, it's that we get a lot of new people. 95% of our members are live viewers are members. If you want to gift somebody a membership, you can, but by simply clicking that, and there are the super chats as well. What members get a lot of things. It's not to make me rich. It's not about me at all. It's never about me. It's about helping people, right? We're waiting for the flight. We're at 44,000 feet now. We're waiting for the next move. Let's look at the stock price. It's hovering around this 224. Has gone down since I bought it this morning. I'm not buying any more just yet. What you get as a member to our channel, if you want to become a member, you can. I'll give you the link right now. Here is the membership link. You might need a browser. Some of you can do it on your phones. Just use Safari or Google Chrome on your phone and you can do it. There's the link in the chat. If you click on that, as a member, first of all, you get a badge to recognize yourself. Tim and Bosch. If you put a comment, Tim, on, it will read it out. You need to put a comment for it to read it out. There's nothing to read out if you just do a super chat. But thank you so much for your support. Really appreciate that. If you want to read it out, just put a comment underneath. That's a euro as well. What is that, a euro? Yeah, it is. What part of the world are you from? So yeah, as a member, you get a badge, but also I will answer all your questions. I will reply to all members' comments. Here we go. Thank you, Timon. Thank you very much. You haven't got a comment there. You didn't write anything in. Also, you get exclusive content, which only the members get. I've got some Virgin Galactic videos that only the members get. Thank you, Shabazz, thank you. If you go to the homepage of the channel, you will see there are members-only videos. We went to the Virgin Orbit Space Station. I was there in person. Only members get to see the interviews with the staff and stuff like that. It's so I give content and exclusivity to the members. You can see there's loads of things behind the scenes. We have meetups. This year we're planning on meeting in New York. Last year we all met in England. So you have that benefit. Also, for those of you who don't know, I was voted the World Piano Man on your birthday, the day before your birthday, the day of, or the day after your birthday. I will do a birthday surprise for you, and I will play Happy Birthday. You get to keep and download the video from my studio behind me. I go over there, back there, and do it for you. All right. People pay me $500 to make those videos. You get them for free as a member, and you get to download and keep the video as well. That is for you to keep. Okay. Also, you can have a 20-minute fundraiser event as well. There we go.
By SPCE.
Timon Bosch, he did one and he donated and he put a comment. If you want to comment, it will read it out. You can put a long sentence, you can put a whole phrase. It's entirely up to you. It reads it out for you. Fantastic. Thank you ever so much, Timon. You should be a member because for what you've paid today, you could get many, many perks, including you can phone in live to the show, be on the show. We've got many, many perks for our members. We're live up to 10 hours a day. For our members. Right, we're at 44,000, nearly 45,000 now. They're enjoying the trip up. What a wonderful trip it must be as well. Thank you for the super chat. I appreciate that very much. Just joined. Now they are saying who's on board the craft. We've got three investors really. 3 founder customers bought the tickets right back at the beginning. Nobody famous, nothing special. Also aboard is chef, astronaut, instructor Beth Moses. So is that only 2? No, there are 3 customers. Beth Moses is not aboard. Beth Moses is not aboard today, I don't think. We've read out the astronauts earlier. I'm 99.9% Beth Moses is not aboard. That is not correct. Just joined, who is flying. We just answered that. It's been said, privacy from customers, they choose not to be live, correct? Fantastic, Timon. Thank you for supporting the family. I bought another 2,500 shares yesterday, holding 20,000 shares now. You should certainly be a member then. Then you can call in, share your thoughts. We have live interviews from investors from around the world who share their thoughts. You should actually call in then if you actually are a big investor like that. Buying 5,000 more shares of space, 5x leverage. I never use margin to buy anything. Don't believe in it. If you can't make money out of your own money, what business do you have of borrowing money? I don't believe in it. I did it once. I won't do it again. I'm so sorry for anyone who had hope for a pump on today's flight. I think Martyn's prediction some months ago of 150 is very likely. Plus the dilution shame might be good in a few years. That's correct. That's why we're buying it now. Big puts and takes profits. There's our shorts coming in. I've started doing that to reduce my losses. If I'm going to lose going down, there's no reason to lose money on it. Absolutely correct. You can make profit from it going down. You're absolutely right. Remember, though, the shorters will win the battles, but always lose the war. You have to decide whether you believe it's going up long term or down. That's what you have to decide. Okay. Now then, I've got something I wanted to share with you as we've got a few minutes. So thank you ever so much, everyone who subscribed and tapped the like button today. It really, really has helped the channel grow. We're growing more and more every day. What's a really important message? First of all, right after the show, we take a very short break and then we'll be back. We'll be back with our live cash giveaway. We're giving away $204 in cash this afternoon, live on our show. You can watch me do it. You don't need to be present to win. We'll contact you if you win. How do you enter? It's free. You don't have to be a member. You don't have to buy anything. I will never contact you, never sell you anything. 100%. There is the giveaway. martynlucas.com/giveaway. 4 hours to go. Okay. All you've got to do is go to that page there. Scroll down and you can enter. You can enter with one ticket by simply liking this video or whatever you want to do. You can do that. If, however, you'd rather do more things and get more chances, only 4 people have done all the things. And we currently have 60 people in total that have taken part. That's all. So a very, very good chance if you wish to win. If you want to sponsor the giveaway, and for me, at the last few minutes, to put a link to your business, it's a $20 super chat and I will add your link in there. In fact, no, I'm going to close that now. Sorry. I'm going to close that. There's not enough time for me to do that. So I won't be doing that. Sorry. You've had up to today to do that. Sorry about that. So anyway, that's how you can win. Now, we are going to send out at the end of the show, once Virgin Galactic lands, we are going to send out a newsletter, which will give you another 100 tickets. Again, it's explained in the competition page, but if you want to sign up for my free newsletter, martynlucas.com/links, it's on the same page. There is the link right there. You can put your email in here, just email, or if you want to personalize it and you want to add your name, if you want a birthday gift, you can do that. It's entirely up to you. At the end of this video, I'm going to put out another newsletter and give you a magic number that you can add into the competition page if you want to do that. And just before we get release, we're a few minutes away now. We're at 45,000 feet. We got a little ways to go. I want to share this with you. We had the sad news the other day that that Warren Buffett passed away. And sorry, beg your pardon. Jimmy Buffett, where did that come from? Warren Buffett, right? Jimmy Buffett passed away, and I made a few videos, and this one here has been picked up by the family. This one here, Time to Say Goodbye in Italian. But this one here, the Parrot Heads, the fan club, and others have put it on their playlist. They really enjoyed it, so it's just started to get watched now. It's had over 1,000 views now in the last few days. If you'd like to have a look at it, this is me doing Sir Paul McCartney's Yesterday for Jimmy Buffett. I'll give you a little listen. You might like to have a listen.
Now I need a place to hide.
and it was picked up by the parrot heads and family and friends of Warren. Stop doing that, Jimmy Buffett. I mean, I'm doing my trading show today, not my music channel. I apologize, Jimmy Buffett. And if you'd like to have a little listen to it, I'll give you the link to it right now, and you might like to go and check it out. Here it is. This is my Jimmy Buffett tribute. There are other videos on my channel you might want to look at that I've done for Jimmy as well. And I was humbled and honored when I saw that they picked it up and put it on their playlist, which is really, really nice. And and that it's bringing comfort and support to the family. That's why I put it out there. I don't make money from those music videos because it's all copyrighted music. That's not what I do it for. I do it to bring music and togetherness. That's what it's all about. Anyway, so there you go. If you're interested in that, go and check all of that out. Okay. So there's no live feed for the flight to showcase experience, no Virgin Galactic promotion. These people have no clue. Idiots. They could generate huge social media hype, no innovation, no promotion. Jojo S, I agree with you. I have said time and time again that I want the job working for Virgin Galactic. They do an awful job and what can I say? It is what it is. Anyway, if all of you want to be part of that mission to get me to do the Virgin Galactic marketing, you have the power to do it. And you could make it happen right now. It probably won't, because most people are lazy. Let me share with you what I mean. Virgin Galactic posted this a few hours ago. Here, right? I've written the Virgin Galactic song. Here it is, here. It's been played by the Branson family. It was written for Eve, the late mother of Sir Richard Branson. And I asked all of you earlier, 1,000 people have looked at it. 1,000. All of you watching have looked at it. And I said, retweet it out. Repost it. Click this link here. It's all you've got to do. And Virgin Galactic Media will pick it up and it will take off. And I've said I will spend up to $1 million of money I make on the single on Virgin Galactic stock. That will make the stock price go up. 4 people have done it. People are lazy. It's the way it is, the way the world works. It's why it's easy to win. It's easy to win in life because when I said I'm going to go live and I'm going to be live 10 hours a day and I'm going to grow the best, most honest channel on YouTube TV, people said, you won't last. You'll give up. Well, guess what? I'm still here and I'm going nowhere. I'm never going to give up. And we are going to have the best YouTube channel on YouTube TV in the world. And we are going to get the Virgin Galactic song played on the rocket ship because I'm going to fly it and I'm going to play on it. All right? So it will happen, but you could speed things up a little bit. There's the link. Here is the link coming now. There you go. I've given it 1, 2, 3 times in the chat. There is the Twitter feed. Go and repost it. Comment on it. Do something. Don't moan. Don't complain. Don't just sit and watch. I don't know what you're watching for. This isn't OnlyFans. Nothing's going to happen, right? No one's going to run around naked or anything. No one's going to do a silly little dance. Well, maybe I'll do I do silly little dances. But we're here to make money. We're here to help people. We're here to spread the news and be real. So get involved. Repost that video. It's easy. Up to $1 million by watching the video. Release, release, release. We are off to the races. Here we go. We're off. Now then, we're in. It's time to go to space. Here we go. 62,000 feet. We've now lost telemetry. It's now going to space. We have no more telemetry. The mothership is coming back down. There's nothing more that we can do for now. We will lose telemetry for a while, but we'll keep our eye on it. Okay. The stock price is moving up. They're going into space. Everyone, tap the like button. Don't be so lazy. Tap the like button. Do something. Tap the down like button. I don't care. I don't care whether you like it or don't like it, but do something. Don't just sit there. I reposted for you, Martyn. Thank you, loud work. I knew you would. All my members do. All the members do. It's the lazy people who don't. But that doesn't matter. We'll get there. I just keep on going and we're growing every day. Oh, there we go. Now it's moving. Oh, now it's moving. It was on 4, 7, 8. Look, it's moving. People are getting involved. Get involved. Do something, people. Repost it. All you got to do is comment on it. Tell Virgin Galactic. Martyn Lucas should be the marketing. Show the marketing manager. Show the song. Get out there. Replay the song. Share the song. I will spend up to $1 million of the money I make on Virgin Galactic stock. If whatever the money earns from that video, all you've got to do is do it. It's not hard. Right, we lost telemetry now. We're going into space. We'll get it back in a minute. But now they're getting the experience. Let's have a look here. Let me just read some comments here. What have we got here? I am the lazy one. Impatient trader. There's lots of you. It's not just one. It's half. It's most people, actually. When I make... Oh, hello. I'm going to yell. I'm not going to read that out. All right. Now then. While we're waiting, we've got something. First of all, let me just give you this. Here is the Virgin Galactic song. I'm not going to play it for you now. But what I want you to do is all go and play it afterwards, listen to it and share it on your social media. If you all do it, I've put it 3 times in the chat. If you all do it, it could take off. It's entirely up to you, right? But this is what we're doing tonight. It's Friday night is music night. It's Friday night Rocket Man concert. We're going to be live tonight in my studio behind me, right, for the Rocket Man concert. Here it is in the chat. There is the Rocket Man concert. This is what it looks like. We're going to be live here in the studio tonight, live on the show. You can phone in and you can ask me to play Elton John's Rocket Man. You can ask me to play, you could say, can I have a dedication for my wife? Can you play I'm Still Standing? Can you play Starman by David Bowie? Can you play me some Italian? Can you do Nessun Dorma? Can you do me a Rocket Man song? I don't care, right? I will do that for you live tonight after the closing bell, after our cash giveaway tonight. Fly, baby, fly. Right, we can't see anything now because obviously it's in space, but the flight is on. There we go. We're just waiting now. Telemetry will come back in. Very exciting stuff. We'll end the music for a minute. We'll take a break from that. Okay, the stock price is holding. I'm happy with it. Now then, we are going to have to, once we get some reaction to the stock and the flight and maybe some information, we're not going to get any thing from Virgin Galactic. Oh, the price is going up now. 227, it's moving. Let me just share with you what's going on. Let me go to the stock price and let me show you the markets today. Now, what we want to see is Virgin Galactic going up with the market going down. That's what we want to see. That will be a reversal. What we've had so far is when the markets are down, the overall, Virgin Galactic just amplifies it. Let's have a look. Now, what we're seeing at the moment, if I go through my positions, the S&P is up, Amazon is up, Apple is up. So the markets are going up. So what we want to see, Coca-Cola is going down. I've been buying Coke, by the way. If you want a really good stock to buy at the moment, at an all-time low, Coca-Cola is it. And the dividend is next week. So it's being driven down so people can buy it and take it back up again. This is the best value stock you can buy right now, by the way, Coca-Cola. I've been buying it. I've got a big position in that now. Anyway, let's go back to Virgin Galactic. Because we're only a couple of days away from the ex-dividend date. So people sell it off to drive it down, to buy it back, to take it back up again. So anyway, Virgin Galactic is down today. It's not good when the markets are generally up. But anyway, we are keeping an eye on that. Let's go back to the telemetry. That's what we want to focus on for the minute. We won't get anything now. It's gone out of view. Completely out of view. There's nothing to share with you at the moment. So we are in the dark right now. We're in space after all. There you go. I just bought 18,996 shares. God help me. Jacob Smith. Become a member, and then you can verify that information, and we can have you live on the show. Does anybody want to call in live to the show? The broadcast lounge is open. If anybody wants to call in, members only, you can call in. Here is the link to become a member, and you get many perks. If anybody here has a girlfriend or a wife and they would like to dedicate a song, if you are a member, I will, on your girlfriend's or wife's birthday, because you can donate it to somebody, make a happy birthday video, and you get that for a couple of bucks. People pay $500 for me to do it. You get it for free as a YouTube member, plus many, many more perks. Anyway, Elon Musk is very quiet on X a day. Is he on board? I think we know he's not. Release, says Crag. Virgin Galactic is holding. And we're waiting for it to come back into view. Out of view because it blew up. No, it's not out of view because it blew up. If it blew up, the stock price would be at 0. All right. And yeah. Blasting off again. Tilray, yes, you're talking about Tilray. We are investors in Tilray. I'm out of the stock. It just pumps and dumps because of the brewery situation. I don't like it. It's not the same business as it was. I can't be in it for now. It doesn't make any sense to me at all to be in that stock, so I'm not. All right, but good luck to those of you who are. All right. We're now at 195 likes. Thank you ever so much indeed. Can we get 200? That would be amazing. Let's put it on the screen. See if we can get 200. Look at that, everybody. I've explained why you need to like the video, the reason why. Let's 5 more. Be absolutely fantastic. Right then, let me do a poll in the chat. Start a poll. Are you joining us tonight for the Virgin 201? Look at that. The Virgin Galactic Party. Are you joining us tonight for the Virgin Galactic Party? Friday night is music night. Yes or no? There you go. You can have requests, you can dedications for loved ones, family members, celebrate birthdays, you name it, it's there for you. Thank you ever so much, everybody who did that. Appreciate you very much indeed for tapping the like. Really, really helps the channel. You'll now be shown my content if you, wasn't seeing it already. Those that tap the down like, you won't see it anymore. That's what it's all about. Right. Okay, we're back in view. It's coming down now. So everything went fine. So for those of you that said, did it blow up? No, it didn't blow up. It went out of telemetry because it went into space. But it's now coming back down. You can see there. Okay. We're coming back down to land. All the way back down again. Let's see where the stock is. Not a lot of movement, unfortunately. No, not at all. Out of view because it blew up. No, everything's fine. Not Tilray, cannabis. No Rugby World Cup starts tonight. No, Rugby World Cup starts tonight. Remember, you can always watch it afterwards. Not a lot of movement, unfortunately. Okay. For those of you that want the link, this is the Rocket Man concert tonight. Live dedications. We grab a beer. You can always watch it afterwards if you want to. There it is. There's the event. If you want to join us for the event tonight. You can already click like. Oh, fantastic. We've already got people clicking the like button. If you want to leave the like button and you want to leave a comment there, you can. You can put your requests in here, and I can make sure that I've got the songs for you. Strange they haven't announced who's on it. They have. Andy Shovel, they've announced it. We've reported on it several times. We know who they are. We did cover the names at the beginning of the event. It's 3 of the original founder members who bought the tickets right at the very beginning. Nobody famous, nobody you'd know, but yes, we have reported on that already. Right. Now then, the good news is the flight has gone well. It's coming in. We're at 40,000 feet now. We're coming into land, or coming back down again. There we are. 7,000 feet. We're virtually down on the ground now. Stock price is going back up. Video on X. Thank you very much. Great. This is good news. We've got some not lazy people. I love it. We've got 10 retweets here for the Virgin Galactic song. Thank you very much indeed. Let me go back to Virgin Galactic's post. There is the video. Here we go. Look at this. Look at that. Regular people now in space having a wonderful time. Look at that, folks. I love it. So let me just mark that a moment. Let me just mark that a moment. So what we'll do, for those of you that, some people miss it, of course, what we'll do is we'll go to here and we make sure that we're live so we get a marker time. For those of you who've never seen me make the videos before, this is how I do it. 3.05 SPCE. Some of you will watch it later. And what we'll do is we've got that there. We got that there. We've got that up there. And let's go to that. Okay, here we go. So let's just do this. This is for the people that can't get that don't get to see it. Virgin Galactic, another successful flight. We've got the video here on board. Look at this. You're going to love this. This is live from the craft itself in space. Look at this. We're going to play it for you now. This was just filmed a few moments ago. Look at that. Regular folks. Look. Sounds like there's a baby crying in the background. Listen. I didn't know someone could take their baby on the plane. If you want to be part of this video right now, part of history, if you do a super chat right now and your comment will come up on the screen, and that'll be fantastic. So there we go. I'll cut it there. Come back to this. If you want to put a comment on the screen about Virgin Galactic and you want it to be in the permanent video, if you do a super chat with a comment, it will read it out and I'll put it on the video right now, okay? So if you want to do that, then you can, all right? I'll cut this and edit it and come back to it, right? Okay, so here we go. So let's take a look at the stock price. As you can see, the stock price has held up. It dropped off at the beginning of the flight, but it's been going sideways. Now, what the fear is, will it go lower than this? I actually feel it won't. The only reason now why Virgin Galactic stock will go down is on dilution. But what we're trying to get is the stock to go up to $4 or $5, so then the stock can drop back to $250, which is basically where we are today. So that's the way I see it going. going. Another successful flight. We are just about to land. If I go over to my live telemetry here, you can see it just coming down to land. We're just a few feet off the ground now. Very, very exciting. And just once again, we're going to go back to that wonderful moment when our astronauts were in space, floating around. And this is the sort of thing. And I cannot wait to hear from these people. Now, some very exciting news. This morning, I actually spoke to a family member of one of these astronauts. And I've invited them to call into the show. Hopefully they will be calling into the show, and we'll have that live interview from the family or the astronauts themselves. The invitation has gone out, so there we go. Fantastic. Look at that. There is the live feed there. That was taken earlier. And there we go. So what do you think? Are you holding Virgin Galactic right now? Are you holding it? We're down on the ground now. There you go. You can see that the transponder has turned off. Oh, we've got a comment now coming live on the screen. Let me bring it in. I'll cut back to this. Anyone who does a super chat, it will get to read out your comments. So I'll cut it here. We might have a reaction here from a few of our members. If you do a live super chat during a live event with a comment, it will come up on the screen. So I'll cut it there again, and we'll wait for this to come in, and I'll put this out as a video later on. Here it comes. Let's bring all our members up. We've got members in 39 countries around the world. Let's wait for this comment to come in. Hey!
Fly, baby, fly.
Zach Zate is originally from Israel, now lives in the United States. One of our large investors. He's just gone up to 5,000 shares worth of Virgin Galactic. Fly, baby, fly. Fantastic. Thank you very much for that, Zach. All right, I'll cut that back out again. Brilliant. So if anybody else wants to do that, I will cut back to it, and I'll do that. Now then, let me just come back to here. Let me just give you this link here. If anybody wants to know when I'm buying Virgin Galactic, before, as I'm buying it, information that I get before it's public, before anyone knows about it. If you follow me on X, here is my X account. I post my trades before. I post the information before I act on it, because I want everyone to know what I'm doing openly and honestly. All right. There was my purchase this morning. Look, this is what I did this morning. I said 3 hours ago, I've just bought more Virgin Galactic. Let me share with you. So if you follow me on X, you will get my information when I'm posting, when I'm selling, when I'm buying, before I do it. If I get information from my friends at Virgin Galactic, SpaceX, other companies that follow me, lots of people follow me. Matthew Brown, who was buying Virgin Orbit, who owns shares in owns part of SpaceX. These sort of people, Sir Richard Branson, people like that. If you want to follow me on my X account, then you can. All right, there you go. All right, we are going to wrap up the stream because we've got to get ready for our closing bell. In our closing bell show, we are giving away, guessing I'm sadly your biggest space stockholder, Andy Shovel. Guessing I'm sadly your biggest. How many shares do you have? No reaction from the stock. It's slow, but that's what we want. We want slow, steady, stable growth. We want to get away from the volatility of the stock. That's what we want. So anyway, right, we're going to wrap up our show. How many people we still got with us? Because there's a couple of things we need to do before we go. First of all, I can clear that away. If you want to join me tonight for the Rocket Man concert, when we're going to have a few beers, celebrate Virgin Galactic, you can ask me to do a live request for a loved one, a dedication to a family member. Everyone's welcome. It's completely free. You don't have to be a member to make a request. This is my live concert tonight in my TV studio behind me. I'll be doing a live concert here, right back there. All right. After hours, after the closing bell this afternoon, there is the video. I've given you the link in the chat if you'd like to join me. All right, that's that. That's the first thing. Second thing, in a few moments' time, I'm going to send out our last newsletter with the free tickets that you can win for our $204 cash giveaway. Yes, we're giving $204 away in the closing bell show in a couple of hours, live on the show. Here is the link to the newsletter. Put your email in there. It's a secure server. I wouldn't know how to sell or use emails. Wouldn't have a clue. So that's one thing people worry about, all right? This is a secure subscriber newsletter. You can unsubscribe at any point, and I will never re-add you. You can put your name in if you want to personalize it, your date of birth, if just your month and the year. If you want me to send, your month and the day, just that. If you want me to send you a birthday card and stuff like that. All right. The actual giveaway page is on the same website, martynlucas.com. This is where we're giving away $204 in cash live on the show in just 3 hours from now. You'll see me do it live on the show. There you go. There is the giveaway page. You can enter by getting one lottery ticket or as many as you want. Now, when I checked before this show, only 4 people had done all the things and about 60 people had entered. So you've got a very good chance of winning if you want to enter. The more things you do, the more chances you have of winning. We do cash prizes all the time. The aim is to help people and just help people, right? Really. That's really it. All right. So you've got all that information. Hopefully you'll join us for the giveaway later on. Now on my music channel, if you are joining me tonight for the concert, if you look below, you'll see I've just done a special video with Sir Paul McCartney for the upcoming tour to find his Hofner guitar. And if you didn't see already, I actually did a, was it Let It Be? I did a video here. Which one was it now? I did a video with Sir Paul McCartney. Here it is. Let It Be. Here it is. If you want to go and check out this, you can. I can't play all of it because of copyright. Just a couple of seconds.
Find myself in time of trouble. Mother Mary comes to me.
That's me singing behind the face of Sir Paul McCartney. It's a tribute to Jimmy Buffett, and what's really lovely is the family and friends of Jimmy Buffett have actually put my music on their playlist, their YouTube playlist, the Parrot Heads, and it's really starting to take off. I don't make any money from these music videos, the tribute videos. They're all copyrighted music. I do it to share music and support families and do a nice thing. That's why I do it. So if you want to go and check that out, you can. Now, just before I go, Virgin Galactic Investors, the most important thing and the reason why we're here. Not only are we here to grow a family, but one thing I want to do very, very soon is a big event to raise lots of money, unlimited amounts of money for those in Hawaii, plus other charities. For those of you who don't know, I did the telethon for the Lions Club, the global event for the telethon on my channel. I raised lots of money for charities like them. What I'm trying to do, though, now is something a little bit special, a little bit better. And all of you can help me with this. I don't need your money. I don't need your viewers. I don't need you to like. I don't need you to watch anything. But what I want to do is this. On my music channel, which is where I do my fundraiser concerts, I currently have just near 5,500 subscribers. At 10,000 subscribers, and it doesn't benefit me at all. I don't make any money. It's all copyrighted. At 10,000 subscribers, YouTube turn on charitable giving for my channel, just like on the investor channel on this channel. But I do my fundraiser concerts on the music channel. If you would subscribe to me just to get me over 10,000 subscribers, you don't have to watch, donate, anything. I don't make any money from you subscribing. I don't even make any money from the videos. I want to put on some concerts again. I've been doing it for years, but we always pay credit card charges. We always pay fees, taxes, and so on. If I get to 10,000, YouTube turn on a feature which enables me to have free gifting where there are no credit card fees, there's no taxes, YouTube take nothing. So if you would subscribe to my music channel, it's right on the homepage of this channel. Look at the top, but I'll give you the link anyway. Martyn Lucas Investor, there's where you are now. Click on Martyn Lucas. You can see it right there, look. There's my own channel. If you subscribe to me, as I say, it's not to make me rich. It doesn't do anything for me at all other than the pleasure it brings me to be able to do it. If everyone here to did it today, we'd be at 6,000 subscribers. There it is. I've been live now for 4.5 hours. All I ask is if you could do that. It doesn't benefit me, but it will allow me to put on a concert where I can raise unlimited funds with no fees for anyone to do any fundraiser, but I want to do Hawaii next. So please help me out by doing that. It costs you nothing and it makes a big difference and it allows me to be able to do something really great. So thank you very much for even considering doing it. It costs nothing. Just tap the subscribe button. All right? All right. Let's have a look. Reading. You can't sold it. Crytek, I don't get that. You're saying I sold it? No, I don't. There's my shares. Live on the screen, there's my share. I don't know what you mean. You're saying you can't sold it. I'm not sure. I'm well up for the Virgin Galactic party. Fantastic. Join me later on then. 3 to 4. 3.4 to 4-ish. I don't think celebrity flight will materially move the share price. No, nor do I. I know you're willing on that being the case, but Wall Street doesn't care. I agree, it doesn't care. 55,000 shares at 4.4. That doesn't really make much sense, but anyway, just give us the average price is there, isn't it? But the stock isn't really retail investor driven, which is why I think it may give it an upward jolt. I don't mind smashing the like button for my favorite slaphead. That's nice. To the moon says, I don't like that phrase. That was made up by BitBoy. People on YouTube. I don't like it. You never hear Warren Buffett use that phrase. Is that really true, Andy? Do you know what proportion is retail versus big investment management? I don't have the numbers. It depends on who the celebrities are. I don't think it'll make any difference at all. The friends that I've got, the people that I've got, the people that watch my show, the people that I'm learning from, the institutions couldn't care less whether Elon Musk flies or not. The retail investors and people on Reddit care. The investors, Richard Branson doesn't give a damn. Doesn't give a damn. If they did, they could have bumped up celebrities already because they've got celebrities already on the waiting list. They've already got them on the tickets. They could have done that. They chose not to. They could have mentioned it. They've chosen not to. I don't think they want the stock shorted and hyped and pumped and dumped any more than it already is. So, the only person's covering it is me, Zach Zay. You're absolutely right. Nothing on the news. There won't be. There absolutely won't be. This is it now. This is day-to-day business. And this is why I'm buying it again. This is investment time now. The pump and dump, the Redditors and all the Looney Tunes, they're all going to get liquidated. They're all going to get shorted at some point when it starts going up. I don't care about them. I'm not here for them. I surround myself, and I believe this wholeheartedly. You are who your friends are. Whoever you surround yourself with is who you become. I surround myself with the best people. The friends that follow me, the people that I know are extremely wealthy, extremely successful, extremely intelligent, motivated, hardworking people. I surround myself by the people I aspire to become, not the idiots, which is why I often, when we get idiots in the channel, I will call them out, get rid of them. I don't want them. It's why I ask people to download the video. I don't want them. I'm here to make money, and I can't do the things I want to do for my charities, things that I support, if I don't make money. I want to surround myself by the best of people, not the idiots. So I don't think, from listening to the people that talk to me, they give a damn two hoots, to be quite honest, with Elon Musk flying or anything else for that matter. Not important. They want to know this. Can the business make me money? Can I get back 10x what I put in? That's it. Have you sold the tickets? Are you sustainable? Are there enough people that can afford this? Are there enough people that are going to buy this? For me, the answer is yes, hence why I bought it. And that's it. Institutions are already in. They're waiting for the dilution. as we've said time and time and time and time again, and this goes completely over the heads of Redditors, shorters, idiots. And I don't mean idiots as shorters, by the way, but the people that are idiots, okay? I just say as it is. I don't care. For them, they're looking at the short-term opportunity, right? I'm not interested. I am looking... Kai, thank you ever so much. You subscribe to my music channel. Thank you very, very much indeed. Really appreciate it. Join me for the live concert tonight, and I'll do your live request for your wife or your girlfriend or your children or yourself, all right? I do 14 voices, 7 different languages, and 650 songs, all right? I'll be there for you tonight. Thank you so much for doing that. That's one more to the 10,000 magic number. But I am looking at this as a balanced part of my portfolio. If it went to zero, I would still be here. It wouldn't affect anything. I don't want it to go to zero. I don't think it will go to zero, but it has to be a managed risk right now. Okay. I need to wrap up the show. Thank you ever so much, everyone who's joined me. Are there any questions that anybody, is anything I haven't answered yet? Thanks for all of you that did that. So I'm going to leave you now because I have to get off and prepare for the cash giveaway. How many people are joining me for the concert tonight? Yeah. Whoa, 55 people. That would be amazing if that happens. That would be our best ever so far. That would be great. All right. So I'll tell you what we're going to do. Has anyone got an anniversary, a birthday, a special occasion whatsoever? All right. I'll tell you what we'll do. Let's see if that's real. I don't think that's real. We've never had that many people. I'll be really excited if it is. Let me end the poll right now. People are still voting. Let me end the poll right now so you can see it. It says there are 50 people plus that are going to join me for the concert tonight. So let me go over to here, and you can do it right now. I want to see how many people are here are bots, scammers, lazy people or real people, right? Here is the Rocket Man concert. If you just voted saying yes, you're going, here is a link. Click on it. Just click on it. You can come back to me in a second. Click on it and leave a like right there. I should see 50 likes if today we've got real people. Sadly, I think most people are lazy, scammers, bots. But let's see if I'm wrong. And as we go on day by day, our channel, because of the downlikes, we get rid of more and more people. We get better and better and better people. Surround myself by the best people. So let's see if that goes up. If it goes through 10, then we're getting more and more of the good people, right? If it doesn't, we've still got lots of clowns to get rid of. And we'll carry on until we've got all the Redditors and all the scammers out of the channel, right? Let's see. We've got 7 now. I'm going to come back to that in a minute. That should be at least 10. On average, we get about 25 people join us for our Friday night concert. It said there that we got 50. So we should easily get 50 likes right now. I've given you the link. Do it right now. If not, that just tells me we've got the usual clowns coming in. Anyway, let's see. Let's see if we finally got there. All right. David Bowie, please. You can have... Oh, there it is. It's gone over 10. Fantastic. So we are getting there now. Day by day, you keep going. Eventually, all we have are investors and intelligent, wealthy, sensible, grown-up people. That's what I want, because the more of those people that we get, the more money we make, the better we can, the more we learn, the better we become, because we surround ourselves by the right people, the more positive energy, the more we can do for Zach and our fundraisers. That's brilliant, brilliant, brilliant. Let me refresh it. Let's see if it's gone even more. 14, 15, 16. Who says you can't win? Who says? And Virgin Galactic is going up. Who's been buying Virgin Galactic? It is going up now. 227. I like it. I like it. Right, okay. I've got to get off. Thank you ever so much for everyone who subscribed to the music channel to help me with my fundraisers. Thanks everyone who supported our show here today. As much as I would like to carry on and be with you, I've got to get the fundraiser, not the fundraiser, sorry, the giveaway sorted and the last email out. Shall we see if any more people in the last few minutes have entered? 26,472. Let me refresh it. 26,472. 26,709. There we go. More people are sharing, getting involved. Great. So I've got to go because live at the end of the show, in the closing bell this afternoon, we're going to be back giving away live on the show $204 in cash. There it is. And you can see it on the homepage of the channel. Don't forget to sign up for the newsletter if you want to have... Hang on a minute, Martin, wrong video. There we go. Don't forget, there's the video this afternoon. Upcoming live streams. There it is. This afternoon, we'll be live here with the giveaway. Okay. Brilliant. That's it. Now, if you want the last chance to get the newsletter, it's going to go out in a minute. I'm going to put it together in just a few minutes. There is the newsletter. It will include 100 free tickets to the giveaway. It's completely free. There is the newsletter, martynlucas.com/links. Right, I'm done. We've answered everyone's question. I'll be there. I just be listening. I can't watch while I'm fishing. I'll be there. I'll just be listening. Man from Earth, listen in, and I'll call your name out. A man from Earth. You'll be fishing, and I'll be going, this is for a man from Earth, as I go into Rocket Man or something like that. All right, let's go and have a look. How many did we get? I love it. 18. Look at that. You did it. You did it. Brilliant. All right, it's going to be our best ever Rocket Man concert tonight. All right, I've got to get off. While you're waiting, go and enjoy some of the music stuff if you'd like, with the new stuff that the Parrot Heads and Jimmy Buffett's fans and friends have been posting. Really, really kind of them. It's been really an honor to do it. But that's it from me. Okay, you know what we got to do now? We got to roll the credits. Here we go. Let's roll the credits and let's get out of here. We're not doing Day Trader of the Day, but we are going to do roll the credits. Here we go. Let's celebrate everyone who took part in today's show. Here we go. Roll the credits. The stars of today's show. Let's have a little look. Let's have a look. Did we get any more subscribers? 10,500. Whoa! Look at that. Hey, absolutely brilliant. 10,604. Fantastic. Look at all these new people here today. Let's have a look. Super chats. We've got super chats from Misagi Mitsu, Taman Bosch, and Zaxate. Thank you very much for your support today. Really do appreciate your help and support in the channel. I will now do my very best to give you the best service and all the things promised for your memberships. What about the followers today? We got a follower that would be on that would be either on Facebook or what's it called? Can't remember the name. What the bloody hell's that thing called? What am I on? What's it? What am I on? Could someone tell me what? Twitch. Twitch, that's right. Probably Twitch, because I'm on Twitch at the same time. So let me call out those subscribers again. These are the public subscribers. There may be a lot more. These are the public ones. We can only share those who share their information with me. Okay, here we go. Mark Drummond, Roma S. Sorry, I can't pronounce that. Andrew Jimenez, Flapjack Sparrow, Nazi Nats, Jay Pierce, Konstantin Konchekotov, Anonymous Jun, Ricardo Galvani, TC, Shock City Rocker, Stillwater Paul, can't pronounce it, Shabazz, Nabil, Brandon Shaw, Crytek, Ansel Varghese Paul. Thank you very much for all of you who did that. That's it from me. Okay, I'm out of here. Don't forget to do all the... Well, I'm not going to tell you anymore. If you haven't done it all by now, you never will, right? I'm done. That's it from me. See you back in a bit. As always, have a wonderful afternoon. I cannot believe everyone is still here. Absolutely wonderful. 19 people now waiting for the concert. See you all back for the closing bell, the big giveaway. You've got chance now to go through all the videos, enter, do all the reposts, and give yourself the best chance. As always, take care of yourself, your money, your crypto. Most importantly, be nice and take care of each other. Remember, life is temporary. We're just on a journey, and what a journey it is. Bye-bye for now.